Please click the thumbs up, like, and subscribe, and the bell notification. Thank you. Please click the thumbs up, like, and subscribe, and the bell notification. Thank you.
People, what a piece of big dirty war going between them two big men there. Eh? Oh, what a piece of big dirty war going between such man and such man. No found a problem, I know what I'm talking. Not too call out their name, you know. Judy say, what you talking about? Somebody soon put it in the chat. What a piece of war going between such man and such man. That thing got ugly real fast. Yeah. I knew it was going to happen though, you know. I knew it was going to happen. I mean, it always happened with the man there. But the way the two of them stay and the way them ego stay and all them something there and whatever, I called it. I tell my friend, I said, this ain't gonna last. This not gonna last because you know what we say in Jamaica where you put two bull in a pen. A problem, you know. You understand? Look how it get ugly and nasty. Look how it get ugly and nasty. Some sitting where I say, Jano. You know, man, some things we are talking and some things we are going. And you see how Kimberly wicked. And you see how people wicked. It's sure if you keep 6 to 9. Bunch of nights, me not left you till 11. And anyhow, me come after 6, una say me own the time. But me never hear you tell me thanks yet when me go past 9, you know. When I always say me own something. And you see how people, that's why I tell you, that one sitting in there, you can't please, or inside Jamaica, you can't please old nigga. You can't please old nigga, no. And that me I tell you, you see how life funny. Me never hear once yet somebody say, boy, Raga, you go over, you know, boy, give thanks and whatever, you know. In fact, anytime I'll go over after 11, I'll me hear it stay till 12 them. You can't stay till 1 in the morning, right? As them stylings them I get, you know. So now, watch ya, it's not even 7 o'clock yet, you know. It's 6:43. And somebody a post, I say, hour. Right? I mean, never hear nobody yet say to me, say, yo, dog, you know, say you always go after 9 and thing, give thanks, you know, so we appreciate it. Now, a be beating me get, you know. I saw it go, man. Now, I don't want to thank you now. I don't want to thank you now. Fool on the take me for. Fool on the take me for. Yeah, entertainment back up and all I want about thank you. Fool on the take me for. See it there? I know after my talk, it no count now. Style or not style me. Anyway, hello. Hello.
No close, Raga.
You know, so you're a long time Ragashanti listener. For you come. So you come in with a shibada talk there, shibada bust that for me, you know. You understand? No close Raga. I know yes, people call me. Hello?
What go Raga?
Are you see man did that talk a while ago?
I mean, man, yo, I'm not even shibada talk that. I some know you're not keeping track, you know, man.
No, but then you change up your voice a while ago.
No, a current too cute style that. No, close Raga.
Oh, yes, no, not current too. Alien too cute.
Alien.
You confuse it and thing.
Yeah.
No, you know, say you bug me out for a second a while ago.
no transmission thing.
A while ago, I said to myself, careful, Raga, careful. I want to go on there.
No, man, that's straight, man. But anyway, Raga,
yeah.
Even though you switch over to TikTok, you know one thing.
Yeah.
You know, say me a thing about Mr. Never Wrong. Cause him don't know nothing about the TikTok thing.
No, I don't know about the TikTok thing, you know. Man, there's a radio man, you know. Him doing it to do the internet, you know.
Yeah, even though you think I shot over TikTok and you just come, boy, me feel like say boy, the show I miss out, Mr. Never Wrong, and the same lady that me just call her name.
Ilian
Ilian,
too
man.
cute too. She do the internet, you know. But she's
Oh, she do the TikTok thing.
but she's a radio woman too, you understand?
Yeah, yo, the show them miss them people, them man.
Yeah.
But anyway, a quick thing I have to say to you,
Yeah.
Raga.
Mm-hmm.
You know, somebody in America here on the Baltimore side.
Yeah.
As me tell the Uber thing me there.
Mm-hmm.
And me hustle it, see?
Seen.
And me say me I try 2 Jamaican girl, you know.
Mm-hmm.
And I remember one time, Mr. Never Wrong. They say, finna pick up no Jamaican woman because they worthless.
Mm-hmm.
And me I say, you know, say, I no lie, I tell.
What do you mean?
Me try with 2 Jamaican, you know.
And what happened?
And me I tell you, say, Raga, I pay bleaching them a bleach.
Like
I pay bleaching and hear them a deal with.
bleaching her ear.
In a Raga.
And it never work out with you and them, though.
No, cause my thing me I tell them say, yo, we come in America, yeah, them never have no papers and thing. And me I say, yo, me never have no papers and thing.
Mm-hmm.
And me I say, yo, if I find a one man and thing, me go and pay the money, you know, or something. You see me?
Yeah, if them find somebody who them can do so with you, we give them pay the fund.
Yeah. Me help and thing. But I pay here and nails and all them things and every money me have it come like say, boy, I have to show out to give them. You see me?
Mm-hmm.
So when time me hear Mr. Never Wrong come and I say, boy, when you find one of them Yankee, then we give you anything. And I no lie, I tell. Raga, no, but
hold on. People may go say some things and may go talk some facts, no? But no, I just want the people them who listen for know say the facts them when me attack, I am not body shaming any woman or anything like that or whatever. But basically you are say, cause Mr. Never Wrong is on record, I say him no nothing with Jamaican woman cause them 2 thief and them workless. And from here they are foreigners a Jamaican man, Mr. Never Wrong said, don't go there with a Jamaican woman because them now go uplift you and make you rise because Jamaican woman them then just want to suck out your eye and drain you. And then now do nothing for you. And that's why Mr. Never Wrong said him there with a white American woman and is the greatest thing that him ever do, right? So you know that, right? We established that Mr. Never Wrong said that, right?
Yeah.
All right. So now you as a based on your experience where you have with 2 Jamaican women, you are agreeing with Mr. Never Wrong.
Yes.
Because you said them 2 Jamaican women who you go get involved with now. Them basically, where you said them workless and them only I think about here and bleaching. All right.
I mean, I say, how you the American and you bleach?
Right. All right, so basically I said them not progressive. Them not gonna win a life.
No, because you know we there and we not no people.
All right. So since you remember Mr. Never Wrong, you will also remember that Mr. Never Wrong say him woman is a big fat white woman.
350 pounds.
350 pounds. Right. You remember that too, right?
Oh yeah, remember everything, man.
All right then. Based on the fact there and thing, you know. Probably she glad for just get a man, period. And again, I not knock fat woman, whatever. I just I say, you probably, and people Mr. Never Wrong say, femme woman, she spend on him.
9 short and 9 pounds.
Yeah, she spend whole heap of money on him and Mr. Never Wrong move in her house and when she drop out, him get the house.
Yeah.
Right, and thing. You know, things say Mr. Never Wrong situation is very different though.
Well, might be. Yeah.
That's a one. And based on what you know about Mr. Never Wrong, how him talk and whatever. Big and serious. Keep it 100 now.
Mm-hmm.
You think any Jamaican woman gonna put up with them something the way Mr. Never Wrong say woman for do?
No, but you know say if them a cuff, you know, in
Talking iPhone.
No, he say if them a cuff, you know, in what do you them, you know, that deal with cuff.
Yeah, but him say the Jamaican woman them a cruff. That was him for him word. Him say Jamaican woman a cruff. And nobody enough it. But he was, and then I saw me tackle him and war him about that because you know some me did I defend the Jamaican woman them with him, right? Okay, good. But when me I say you don't think that is like an unjust and inaccurate generalization of Jamaican women based on what him go through?
No, Raga, but if you're going to a certain yard and every time you go in a yard, dog a bite you, where you go to, you constantly are going to make dog bite you.
Nah, but when me I say, what if Mr. Never Wrong just how him stay, him can attract a good Jamaican woman?
Boy, but I serious note, Raga. Jamaican woman, boy, they hard for please them. I'm not gonna lie.
In general, no, me not dispute. I can respectfully disagree in terms of whatever because I can tell you I have had very different experiences with Jamaican women than what you're saying, right?
Yeah.
But and I'm sure there are people out there who are going to agree with you because I've spoken to other people who even women who say them will never Jamaican women say them will never deal with a Jamaican man, them give up on them. And a lot of Jamaican men who say they will never deal with a Jamaican woman, them done with them and whatever. But you have Jamaicans out there who are having successful relationships, and you have people out there who swear on the other side like them now want nobody else but a Jamaican woman or a Jamaican man and thing because them are meet good ones.
Yeah, but you know, so family at Jamaica, my thing I always foreign woman, you know. Cause Jamaican, when they are than I deal with Jamaican woman, me never get none for him yet.
You never get.
I work a hotel. For me, I work a hotel days. I pay for me I do it. Every time I do it a Jamaican, I always a fear showboat. But it's a sweet thing when you come to America and you have a Jamaican girl. Then sort out always turn out.
Well, so you're saying that the Jamaican woman in general, them are taker, them only a take from you, them not give you.
I pay bigger them. Then first name BEG.
No, but when I said to you though is me have friends and when I get tonight, but I've several Jamaican women over the years and whatever who spend on me. So when I say what you say nothing not really accurate. Me have friends who in a relationship and Jamaican woman and the relationship reach a point where the woman them say, no, you're my man or me like you or are you Ray and spend on you. Yeah. Well, me there with Jamaican woman when I have to tell woman say, no man, yeah, just cool. I'm my time now. Hold your money. Hold your money. I'm my time now. Or me there with woman when I have to tell him, say, listen to me, Pat, sometime me a workless man, you know. So if me and you juggle and thing, if alone me make me spend on you to man and whatever, because them would have just, base my them woman out there, I tell you that, me not ask you.
I
don't know me alone, me know me have several men like that and whatever. When if a woman like you, you know. And if she have her money, she go spend it on you, you know.
Yeah, but remember, sir, and everybody born on that star now. Remember, say, yeah, Mr. Watch Belly. So probably your luck different from my luck. Every Jamaican want me try with the box side, Raga, me I tell you, say, yo. Me say, then first name BG, boy, I pay big, them a big. But family, I still my thing, American thing still foreign.
For you there, Jamaica, American woman, them, and foreign woman, or whatever. Because,
yeah, man.
Because you say...
Me always I get things from them, brother. I'm a youth, me always I work. And I like say, boy, I'm still a big no woman or nothing like that.
Okay, I get to that. So you
always I work.
Well, on. So when you say you always I get things from them, you ask them for that?
No, Raga, man.
Oh,
Yo,
you say the foreign woman I just saw them stay, them just
yep,
want to spend time. Yeah.
them is just a giver, man.
Okay. So you did give them to when them I give you?
What you mean? Then what
Okay.
I'm gonna show them how Jamaica look and sit and sort out.
So yes, what you mean Sato?
What you mean, sort out? What you mean, Raga?
What you sort them out?
Then we are playing, you know, it's a big business.
No, then hold on then. So you were a whore then? You were a prostitute then?
No, a low, gigolo.
Gigolo is a term for a male whore.
Then no that Raga man, then you come like you don't know what Jamaica around.
No. Me just want understand too. So what I'm saying is, you don't think that you're mischaracterizing the situation then, right? If you were a male whore, right? Right?
Yeah.
Which means that once you perform, you must get paid, right? Which means that you were attracting women who were traveling for that waiting to exhale experience. Which means you were getting involved with women who go to tropical countries to experience some of the indigenous pleasurable offerings, correct?
Yeah.
So don't you think that it's inaccurate for you to characterize that as just a relationship work in general? These women were just buying a body. They're body buyers. They were. You was interacting with body buyers, and you're generalizing amongst those women and say, "I saw them stay in general," and you're putting them in a superior position over the Jamaican women who were not buying your body.
No, but them get it for free, Raga. Them get it for free and you know give nothing. Yo, I will leave a man out there, you know. Yo, Raga, I will leave a man out there. Probably afraid to call and talk on the show, you know. Say the Jamaican woman them a beggar.
No. I am not disputing what you're saying. That a lot of Jamaican women them are taker, you know. Me call them taker. Or beggar or taker, right? So you have a whole heap of Jamaican woman, you're right, them a taker for true. And that's a, you know, I just saw them around, them just want to tear off a thing off of you and whatever, and I saw them want to relate to you. In fact, I 100% agree with this, that a lot of Jamaican women are like that. We also come from a particular cultural setup in Jamaica where, like many other countries, in our country too, based grounded in Christian theology, which we're not getting, a biblical theology, and a Western European British type of thing where come down through our culture. Even without the African background, where the male is supposed to be alpha, is supposed to be the protector and the provider. So that is where we grew up in and thing traditionally. So I'm not disputing that, right? I'm not dispute that from you. I'm just saying what you are using to reach your conclusions is probably not reflective of the general patterns out there, meaning that you interacting mainly with women who just represent a segment of that demography, of the demography, of that demographic, who come to Caribbean countries and tropical countries for that. Them come there for have a good time for buy body and thing. So me ask you, no, me need you for answer this now.
Yeah.
So you are said the woman them never treat you good and cause them did I get your body free. But you respect the other woman, them at least know so them I get your body. So me ask you a thing. You think your body good like that?
Why, Raga? I don't know really, but I know me get paid for the foreign woman them, you know.
Yeah, but that is what I'm saying. You said that about Jamaican woman them and thing. Jamaican woman them no short a good body.
Yeah, but if you pay, man, if you sit, man.
No, but what me I say, if you're not answer a question. Me say What if your body is not that good for the Jamaican woman? I know a lot of Jamaican woman get some devil dick and turn idiot and all cuss about it and still do so for the man and tell them friends say, me no know about that boy here, you know, me I wonder if I obey me, you know, because sometimes I just want to cuss him, you see, but you see as soon as he touch me, I turn idiot, and you see anytime him send up that something upon me just turn idiot, I want to do everything for the boy. Me just want him have a way where him curl it up and call you see when him edge it and sink it down and whatever. Me say me can't even stop think about the boy. Me want to cook for the boy. Me want what I mean I do them something and I'm a hot girl and I want him do to me. I want him do. When me I say you don't have that body, you don't have the devil dick. You don't have the body for make woman spend on you. You don't have a spend on your body. And of course, you cuss it woman about that. Your body is not good enough to get spent on. From a Jamaican woman, enough Jamaican woman, them, we have man mind them, and get a good body man, and turn idiot and say, no, me do anything for that boy, because him have that devil dick that turn me in an idiot. You're not that guy.
Well, you might be right, but rather quickly. What make Jamaican woman love the jacket, sir?
Well, that is another subject. You know. Let me take some other cat. Yes, you the chat get busy.
Jamaican jacket, man. A jacket around Jamaica.
Yeah, we soon go to jacket mix up. Probably we should do that next week, Auntie. But big up yourself, you know. We're going to call you. All right. You know your name on the show right now, my G. Your name Uberman. Because you drive Uber, so we give you a name.
Yeah.
Your name Uberman. And Uberman, you listen me long time. So, I tell you from now. You're going to get a beat, you know, a couple people are going to call you. But you know the thing.
I watch it. It takes them, you know.
Yeah, man. No, they're going to get a, you remember, a thick skin and broad back do it over here. You know that,
Them a cruff, man. Them a cruff.
What you mean? The Jamaican woman, them who are going to criticize you, them a cruff. Them a cruff. You hear him say that, ladies, me want to take him on, you know, you hear. Me want you say it before you leave. Are you saying Jamaican woman a cruff?
Jamaican woman, them, all of them are cruff.
Yeah. And you stand by that?
Raga, 10 toes down.
Okay. And again, why you say them a cruff?
Because their first name BG.
Okay, because them beggy, them beg too much.
Right.
Okay.
Them beg till is a shame.
And them don't want to give you money for your body.
Yeah.
Okay, all right then. Big up yourself. Yeah.
Them a cruff.
Them a cruff. Okay.
Raga.
Listen to me. He general start his show sassy. Yeah, we're going. Okay, everybody over here follow me. If you're not follow me yet, follow me now. Follow me now. Me love the energy we start to show. I don't agree with him. Hello.
Hi. First time on your show.
Welcome.
Start following you.
Welcome. You follow me? You follow me? All right then, cool.
No, but not today. I follow you from the other day.
You follow me from the other day. That's all right. Thank you.
So, you know, maybe to you back from Wednesday. It hurt my heart.
It hurt your heart. What you have to say about it? Mm-hmm.
Because this is a thing when I come to style Jamaican, and we work harder than the man them here, so.
Mm-hmm.
Harder than the man, because the man them here, so them are dirty man. Now all of them, some of them.
The Jamaican man, them are dirty man.
Talk about American, because I never talk to American man yet. So
yeah.
We can't discuss about American.
Yeah.
And I want to take a different Caribbean. You understand?
Right.
Me, when he come on and talking about us like that, it hurt me out because I get up out my bed from 4:45 every day. I work Monday to Thursday at 10-hour shift.
10-hour shift.
I came to America 2005, married, come to Georgia, left. And from the left, I've been doing everything by myself. I don't stretch my hand to man because the man them here want it more than us.
They want what?
Money.
Okay. The man them want money more than the woman them?
Yeah.
Is that true? You sure?
Straight true. When you go out, I go out sometime, not a lot like that, but when you go out, the Jamaican man them, they profile. So they stand up in the corner and they look who look nice and who wear name brand and who wear this Gucci and Gucci. And if you not drive a Benz and a BMW, or you can just stand to the side.
Really?
So that's all they live here for. A lot of them don't have nothing for themselves.
So, well, this whole thing about the hardworking, independent, progressive, ambitious Jamaican man in general, that is not true.
You hear me say some of them, but me I tell you, it just hurt my heart way in describe us. Make it seem like I'm. Listen, me work around African for me the year 2005, and I'm the laziest thing one on 2 feet.
The American, them, oh.
Man and woman then complain more than we, and then when they see we do the job, they cuss we. So we come here to take them down.
All right, well, we don't want to go too much in a commentary tonight. Because remember, is a weight name there, because you see, we don't want to go in a because we're going to end up with everybody we don't want everybody calling and I say, what me do, because the whole show about that not go. But what I'm saying is it a case where it's not necessarily that the man them stay so or the woman them stay so, but is it a case where in general both men and women like a laziness just increase out there and enough people don't want to work hard, man and woman? Is that a one?
Honestly,
yeah,
I can say since I've been here, I don't see a lazy Jamaican woman. Since I've been here.
You are joking.
No, honestly.
Well on. Since you there from 2005, you've never seen a lazy, workless Jamaican woman?
No.
And you live at Georgia, them which part of Georgia you live in? In a Fulton County, them area they were black with enough Jamaican there and thing, and what the in a Signal Mountain and place they don't.
No, me there Henry County.
Henry County, yeah, but Henry County, Locust Grove and them place, them only for Jamaica.
Me there Henry County, and I can tell you, so me drive round 3/4 of the house that you see is a Jamaican only.
No, I know. No, we're not debate. No, hold on. No. You tell me what Jamaican own.
Fine. No, I'm not telling you what they really own, I'm saying to you, because I never see a lazy Jamaican and say they don't want to work, or then get up and, me just go.
No, hold on, no, hold on, no. You said you're there from 2005, that's 20 years now, right? And I got the impression that you've been around Jamaicans, all that time. You're there around other people, but you've been around Jamaicans all that time too, right?
Yeah.
And you're saying you've never met like a lazy Jamaican, like a lazy workless Jamaican woman?
No.
Okay, for that you say. I remember. Wow, that is interesting. No, that is interesting. I remember hear what some other people are going to say about it and things. See?
Nice talking to you.
Huh?
I said nice talking to you.
Yeah, man, big up yourself, man. I say a word, yeah? Blessings, cool.
All right.
Yeah, man, cool. Wow. From 2005 till now, 20 years she there. She's in the metropolises of, the Jamaican diaspora community and whatever. Obviously interacting with Jamaicans. And she has never met a lazy Jamaican woman, a workless Jamaican woman, or whatever. Wow. Anyway. All right. Hello.
Greetings, Dr. Kingsley, Ragashanti, Stewart.
Yeah, blessings.
Yeah. Bless up, man.
Yeah.
Years
Talk
me,
up.
years me I listen to your material from your local radio.
Seeing.
Then one day just disappear. You come on TikTok and see you, I say, yo, I have to follow you.
Cool, man. Give thanks, man.
But touch upon the topic still.
Yeah.
Because there's a whole heap of trauma where you go around, Man traumatized and woman traumatized. And at this day and age, everybody just try to grab what they want. Nobody now say, yo, make the two of us build together and try to accomplish something together. You can tell you from experience, I agree and I disagree with both persons. Because there's some very good women out there, very good Jamaican, hardworking Jamaican women out there, and there's some very good, hardworking Jamaican men out there too. You know, and when them two people they find them one another, trust me, them accomplish some amazing things,
Right.
right? Whether them do it a yard or then decide to go foreign go do it.
But is there, in
can't
your
tell
in
you.
your estimation, has there been an
I've had
increase?
the
Hold on, wait. In your estimation, has there been an increase in the selfishness and the laziness amongst amongst both men and Jamaican men and women are foreign, or one side over the other? Eh?
Boy, woman more than man, you know. So
Oh.
that is the selfishness in that woman then turn up.
Well, you said the selfishness and thing and the laziness in the woman them turn up more than the man them.
Well, let me not say it's laziness.
Yeah.
Because here's the thing about it.
Yeah.
Woman born with gold mine under for them foot, you know. Them born with a automatic ATM.
Who says so? The woman them or the man says so?
Eh?
Who says so? It's something that distract you, you know. So you do something else. Who says so? The woman them or the man says so?
No, man.
Who made that rule? Whose rule is that?
Why both?
Eh? Oh, so the woman them believe, say.
I wanted the oldest rule. I wanted the oldest.
Right. So you said the woman them believe that and the man them believe. So let me ask you something.
If you look
Hold on. You know you're not listen to me. Oi. You have to listen to me too, yeah? Yeah, may I ask you a question? Is it wrong for men start to say, no, just as a woman genitals have value, like money for spend on it, that for them genitals can't have value too? Is that wrong? Eh?
No, you're not wrong.
No, may I ask, is that wrong for men say that? Say, no, woman for pay for my sort out and thing. If I run it on a woman, she for give me a money for that. You know, is it wrong for a man say a woman for mind me if me I give her good work?
It all depends. If it's transactional, then no problem.
All right. Okay. All right. May I see what somebody else has say I think. All right, my general. Respect you know. Where they are you hail from? Which state are we?
Oh, you know what I say? Me there in Westmoreland right now.
Westmoreland, Jamaica. All right. Big up yourself, my family. All right. Cool. All right, people.
Bless.
Yeah. All right. Let me tell you how this game works now. So you have this when you're doing a talk show, the first or second call tend to set the tone for the rest of the show. And then people just instinctively get triggered and them think of something in response to that. And then there's a kind of continuity that goes on throughout the show. And what is happening now is that we start a little thing where people are going to call and it's going to be all about opinions. Now, that is cool. Opinions are cool. But I kind of don't want to, stay here for the next couple of hours and everybody call and give an opinion, So nothing is wrong if you give opinion, But it must, I would prefer if it is interspersed with mix-up, things that happen to you. So even if we're not going to talk about this, we still want to hear some kind of evidence to support whatever conclusion I make. So don't make it be about opinion alone. Because I can't tell. No disrespect, but, if we end up at talk about opinion for the rest of the night, it's just going to be people that give them opinion and the show not go really. You know what I'm saying? So, I still want to call in with a mix up them. And you can talk on the matter and tell me if you did, there with somebody who did workless or there with somebody who, but tell me what them do. Or tell me how them workless or how them, all right? Because remember now, I'm doing this for a while, I know what I'm doing. And I know, and it's my job to manage a show and balance it up. So, we don't want a multi-hour show with just everybody I give them opinion, because we're Jamaicans, we don't shout our opinion and that, all right? Okay? So, when I hear what I say, okay, cool. So we want to mix up. I remember you can call in with any mix-up same way, in terms of something crazy what happened to you when you did young or whatever. All right, everybody like the live now. Just make sure you tap the screen and like the live, okay? And if you're not following me, follow me now. Follow Ragashanti, If you're not following me, follow Ragashanti. We have to get that follow thing up, All right? Yeah? After Queen Nash, big up yourself. Jasmine, Raga, where to get tickets for your birthday party? They will be on Eventbrite by tomorrow. The thing is, I don't have shows on Fridays. I may just have a look at short Friday show just to make you know about the tickets them tomorrow. Who knows? Lucky you. All right, we see how that go. But they'll be online at Eventbrite. Should be by tomorrow. And then the actual physical tickets, those should be coming to me next week. And then we usually have to distribute them to a certain location depending on where people are. But I'm going to facilitate, where if you want tickets to be shipped to you, some people love to get physical tickets and things. And some people like to do it online and them having them phone and them email and them just show it when them come in and things. Whatever is you prefer and more convenient to you, I'll facilitate that, all right? So again, my birthday party, Ragabash, September 20th at Amazura here in Queens, New York and thing. I'm want the them come out and thing. It go nice, it go up, up, okay? All right. Hello.
Whoa, Ragabi, I want to hear there.
Box me in my nastiness with it, the Senna.
I'm saying, remember both in my 20s. You know, the entire girl in them prime.
Yes, man.
Me live a country, me go nice big man at all.
Yeah.
Man, I wish part was a Beverly, yes.
Beverly,
One of my friend.
Yeah.
One of my friend go up there. We come from country and we see big, nice, spacious, look good house.
Boy,
Start friend start touch me. You up there for about 3 days.
You up there for 3 days?
Yes.
In the big man house?
3 days we up there now. Me and my friends start plan say what we go take and one man and money and the man and money that's how we go thief the money.
Hold on. When you up there and your friend a plan for thief him money and them something there?
Yes, cause the man have him money.
Him have him money, okay, good.
Hold on, after me. The man treat we good, me not tell him man, can we go shop and buy with good things and then something there. We go up there for the Saturday, we go there Friday, but we come back about it Tuesday.
Mm-hmm.
Thief out the man silver in a bag.
You do what? What want to thief?
Thief out the man silver in a bag and tie your feet.
Thief him silver, what you mean him silver? Like money, like when we say silver, we mean money.
Kind after we thief out the kind them, put them in a bag and tie your feet. Go bathroom, go bed.
No, hold on. You are part with a big man, a Beverly Hills man. You come from country and you're there one Beverly Hills man house. And you said the Beverly Hills man carry on to go shopping and buy woolly pass up and thing.
Sweet part, no, Raga, listen sweet part where Karma liquid.
Yeah.
Karma liquid wicked, you know.
What happened?
After we pack bag of bathroom, go bed, we go down now, we man give some money, but he might put money in a plastic bag. Only part type plastic bag cut so me see the money in a eye.
Mm-hmm.
When we go palm bus and ready to go pay and up me bag of paper, the man wrap up over $1,000.
A beer paper.
Bag go take out every dollar.
Him go back down the bag go take out every dollar. Oh God.
Yes, he come like the man was back.
What you say? He coming like what?
The man camera.
Him
And
did-
we don't know.
I watch.
Also, we want that money what we have him and take it back from we. Also, we bag.
Well, you say the man I take phone money to do.
Yes, we go feel we money too.
So you say you look like when you're not thief, man, and whatever, the man have camera watch, you know.
Master now we. Raga me say from that day until now, me not trouble people think me not thief.
You're not thief again.
No.
You're not thief again from that day there.
Yes, Mr. Raga, you can't camera no red me eye,
Nothing already yeah, again, though.
nothing.
So what you say, when you no back out to no Kyle, you know, one thing, no Kyle and money where you look, it's just $1,000 upon the top and a beer paper. A beer paper under $1,000, though.
Yes, and you know, say $1,000 fake, the bus driver say $1,000 fake, so we know couldn't get prepared when we reach at Trillan, you know, we have to call somebody to meet me and don't come to come pay me fair.
Well, the $1,000 counterfeit.
Fake, it's fake, yes.
Yo, you know, say, una
Well,
cool.
I know,
Yeah.
well, I know, the conductor, listen, the conductor say, the doctor saying good as all, like, push you up for a bus and put you in there, and lock you up in your station, the counterfeit.
John, no.
You see, say, calm and not good.
Yeah, because look, they a plan for broke man foot and and this and that and whatever, and the man now wild and thing. So what you say, the dog take away phone money to do.
Because we have money, man, take away free money, because me and the girl go be the same time in the bathroom and we dey laugh and we feel say we bingo now.
Yeah.
Bingo where?
So, well, I want you tell me the truth, you know, since you did it for 3 days, she did do anything with you?
No, man, see, I mean, spooky and the man treat you good, man. Me fi just humble myself and nothing.
No, so what me I say, I did hear spooky.
Yes, me fi just humble myself and nothing.
No, but what me I say is, so you never do nothing look at something with him?
Yes, man, me must say me little spooky and the man like me cause girl short and look good enough.
Okay, good. So look, do go on and them something. Because you're good man,
Yes,
but you
and
just
man
want
treat
broke
you
him foot.
good.
Yeah, you just want broke him foot,
and
innit?
he man a busy man, feel like he man go work like he work at some big company. He man left with more, I don't know, leave it a money man left man call with 10 grand with 15 grand with and nearly go with there. And then turn the money no, he sure say man just genuine.
Then let me
You
ask
think
you
that
something now.
touch it?
Well, I know, man. Let me ask you something now. If you there with a big man like that, no, right? And you know, so the dog have proper Kyle and whatever, and Beverly Hills and big mansion, him have in and them thing there. And yes, he say, him good like that. Let me tell how the ras wanna come for a thief silver from the man? Silver?
Yeah, man. Yeah, red man and touch his ragga.
Me no want you vex, you know, but me glad you keep it 100 and I say see the karma reach you because una deserve to get, you know. If una a silver girl, una they run good money man and a thief silver from me. Me can't believe that.
No cross me ragga.
See there. Nah,
Ragga
man.
farmer lick me. Miss Ragga nothing at all no red me eye no. Nobody can no red me eye.
Listen to me. One night I had a research with some Jamaican woman in a dance hall, right? And then bring one pretty little girl out one night. This are the crew, you know. And one proper money man, you know, they can read the play now. Them are the first woman say, Raga, oh, you know when man have money, where you look on me, I say shoes, them say no. When I say clothes, them say no. And me I say, and I them first time, I say, no, Raga, we have it done to a science man. Watch. Some say, why watch? She say, a man may dress down, you know, and hide, you know, but real money man never yet dress down upon them watch. So them know the game. And then them bring out the look good as in the night and whatever, and the good as me too, and one man with them say, no man, a real money man that. And the man offer the good as a drink, and she go take it. You know, so them jar one side and drape her up and tatter up and say, what you do? I hear that you take things from. When you that come, you don't even look on them unless them start spend money. It's when you get a good man and whatever, and them offer you anything. You have to act classy, tell them, say, no, you're okay, you don't take it. You understand? Right? So at this, so you go wrong, you know. Because uno does a move like silver girl. And them big money man, and them don't want to look a silver girl. Them want like, you know, Jano.
We laugh and feel say we bingo, man drop in a bus park and we feel say we bingo, we knock off people. When time me going and me bag am, oh God.
Jesus. Well, you learn your lesson, you say, from that time again, you know, covetous and ready I have for people sitting and want broken the man.
I know.
All right, man. That's a good one. Thank you for that one. Big up yourself, you know. Big up Trelawney.
Right,
Your base, yeah. All right, cool. Jano. Okay. Follow me now, people. Who they are watching live, follow me. And if you not follow me now. Right? Mix Chemical, Mix and Sweet. Big up yourself. Andre, large up. Me see you. Starboy, you're there again. Seeing ever there. Anjibu 31, large up yourself. Mike, see Michael, me see you. Cassandra, what you say? Hello.
Yeah, even Raga.
Greetings.
Blessings.
Yeah.
Yeah, some of them I have a little mix up going. Personally with myself, so I come share, you know?
Yeah, we could hear it.
From me a juvenile, I watch a program, so I say big up yourself.
Cooler, man.
Yeah. All right, so about 5 years ago,
Yeah.
they are abroad overseas, eh?
Mm-hmm.
So I'm on this famous talk show program on Instagram. So being on the program, it's like a dating thing I go on the night. So she put out it and I tell anybody like this young man, you know, nice handsome young man, I can message him.
Yeah.
So after the show done, I see a bag of message from my Instagram thing.
Yeah.
So anyway, I did a follow through till one of the message connect, you know, this girl, she did seem genuine.
Mm-hmm.
They come from Jamaica, but you know I'm overseas at the time, so all if I text, you know, the time I'm up on a little juggling, mother talk to her and, you know, get to know her and things. So during the whole process, she tell me she have a little brother out there she deal with. So I said, all right then, cool. Me work with that. Because you know she come forward from day one and until show the vibes. So we level down the vibes and said that are the least. Then now we are young youth in the street too. So anyway, fast forward, she tell me say, boy, the man now go on so good, servicing wise. You know? I say, well, that not really concern me still.
Right.
So talking to her, I mean up that me reach down.
Yeah.
Come down now and see me come down, me go link her. See her and sleep the night. You know?
Oh, so you and I did that talk good before that then?
Yeah, good talk about 1 month ago, 2 months, me and her talk for man.
Yeah.
So she had a little man there kind of jump off. She said, fight her and beat her because she said she had tell him say now go on good. And it caused a riff, you know, man and woman thing.
Yeah.
So a money man jump off. So you know, me are the number one man, you know, as
cool now, man.
I
Yeah.
have to work off
Yeah.
PRT.
Yeah.
You know, so reach down the night now, me fall down the evening and go sleep without the night and till in a raga. Put it on for her now.
You fix her properly.
Fix her properly, you know, me I tell her.
Woolly style and all these things, you know, curve it and all these things.
Style,
yeah. Zane,
but
yeah.
you all give a joke now, no? See, little man, she talk to him live cross the road from her, so him can see a female and look over there. So, you know, woman I tell her say my man left, but then they really left. Then they separate. A long time and you did that too.
Yeah.
So, the other day, you know, she tell me, say, boy, I know, the little man see the car drive in the night and he must say, you should find man, I know, our man come.
Right.
Anyway, she tell him, say, no, son, man, I want to cousin them from foreign flying and
yeah.
over there.
Yeah.
So, you know, she polish everything. So, I say to her, say, the man still there, because me that you, me stay a certain way in a raga. So, me not really do the lowest thing, because I know what people black doing. I get to me, I say?
Cool, man. Yeah.
Right. So, anyways, fast forward now, she said she and him not there. Me start, you know, back and forth, start sleep there sometime, did there some of the days them. So, maybe a regular figure in the place now. But, you know, the same car, he do it for you, pull up. So, anyways, you know, one night, I didn't know, I go start her out, and while I start her out, I hear some shuffling. I know a big yard she live in. So, I hear you can walk around. So, I hear some more of shuffling. So, I stop one at the time, I say to her, I say, you know, I hear them shuffling there. She has to know a dog, a ramp in a yard.
Yeah.
So me I say, dog, a ramp in a yard. Anyways, me take her word feed.
Yeah.
So, didn't know one next day, I didn't know. Fast forward. Remember the night, I tell her, say, me the night, you know, don't forget the point.
Yeah.
I did one day, and because me ever cook, so she ever say, no, she like when I cook for her, because me a man, I love, me know me wear on the kitchen.
All right, so, yeah.
Yeah, so I did cook one day, but me, normally when I come in, she normally lock the gate, you know. So, I never say, I lock the gate. Something alright. But me a man, me very observant, but me not to speak much.
Oh, so that night
Yeah.
there you notice that she lock your gate.
No man, that day there, she always got the gate once me come in. I feel
Oh,
her style.
okay, okay, all right.
So me not pre-talk, no. Me have to know one of them things where she don't always lock up her house when anybody come in.
Right.
So me at the kitchen there I cook, but me a little shuffling on the gate.
Mm-hmm.
I wouldn't mind saying, oh man, that shuffling, then nobody not supposed to come. She not tell me that she expect somebody. So she in the room doing it. So like she hear the shuffling to her, me hear somebody say, call her now. Somebody a call her. But I mean them a call, so me not go look. Me in the kitchen I do my thing same way.
Mm-hmm.
She get up now and go out there. So me hear somebody start, holy pa bad word now, bad word. From the see man a come there and you can't tell him say a cousin call the same car. She say from the night. One bag of thing in her. So many ways me not do my thing, that not concern me.
Mm-hmm.
So me go hear the man say. But come slippers out there, inside, but all the yard you can look to the grill and see what up on the veranda.
Mm-hmm.
They must say about catch pan the man what sit not sit foot to a day my man ever put pressure upon you when we run at the house back with you.
Well, when man say about your slippers?
You must say look on this a foot like a size 13. So a day my size man have in there put pressure upon you, make you eat that galang and anchor the ready your night.
Yeah.
You play back to my brain though, so you realize that the night had made the shuffling. And the man around there, you see in a
Oh God! A year you in there pressure the meat and them something they don't.
In there, listen.
Me probably I'll take up your slippers and I'll look on it. Me probably I'll measure your slippers next to him foot and I say that she in there take, you know, that girl you wicked, you know. Yo.
I really feel about me. I tell you one say, oh, it did the man. But not being a youth in those bother my mouth, man.
Yeah, I want just full of chat and what.
Yeah,
nah, man. I'll keep it 100 and thing.
Yeah.
Anybody who understand woman and thing. Any woman involved with a man who live across the road from her and bring a man in her yard and I sort out that man there. That boy is no threat and she know it. She know it. That boy is no threat and she know it. Because nobody no good for masking and you know and hide things like man no good for that like woman. Right? And woman do that for maintain them, you know, them security, them survival or whatever. Or if them know so them can just a clown or whatever, them just know so them can do that. So that boy is no threat. No threat whatsoever.
Me I go back and if even the same day there when he pull up, I'm in the kitchen.
Yeah.
She come in and she have beg me. Cause I talk about of things, you know.
Yeah.
You know? She come and say me I beg you don't go there because she know the type of person I be, you know. You get me? I say, me see a particular way, you know. You get me? I say?
Yeah. You're not for going on no more details. We understand.
You get me?
Yeah.
So she say, oh, me I beg you don't say. Me I say, no man, me bigger than that, you know, man. You get me? I say?
Yeah.
You say me, you know. So he can't see what he must say, you know.
Yeah.
Cause when he see me outside him now, and I like him come send up, he just vex the day, cause he come and see the side slippers. That really get him off now.
And the side slippers mash up him head though. That big foot man yeah, that are in the No, hey, hold on. Before you go, we have a famous mix-up. Anybody that listen a long time, I go remember it, you know. A man, I watch it pumps him woman, you know. I watch it pumps him woman and the woman, you know. But the woman like say she go around him and I clown him, you know, and I bleed him out time money and all them something, you know. So the dog decides him have to go catch her, you know. And the way them our crib set up one thing, you have a tree right beside the yard. So you know, so the general decides him to catch her, so him go climb a tree, you know. And then position up in the tree where him can see right down, based on where him in the tree, can see right down in the bedroom, you know. And besides him, catch her tonight, you know, man. So you know, say the dog come, the man come and whatever, and him see the man in and him say, him nah move, him want catch her red-handed with her hand in a cookie jar and whatever, cause she can't deny him. And him watch and stay quiet and the dog go in and them talk up on this and that, you know. And when the Gideon come down to bump, you know, and the general comes so and boom and back off her clothes and goods ready and go so and lie down, you know, and assume the position, you know. Yeah. You see when the dog goes so boom and reel out the strength and thing, you see when him see the strength where she go take and him up in the tree, me say a piece of shark take him, you know, say him up in the tree and the man start ball. Don't put that in him, woman! Don't put that in the woman. I want to put in the woman. I kill her. Now, what is my excitement? Don't put that, don't make him put that in you. Don't make him put that in you. Jesus Christ, and that's how really make him put in you. What is my excitement? He made hurt him when him see the thing, man. So it's a similar thing this a boy I go to now when him see his slippers and I said, Jesus Christ. The big slippers, man, you she a bun me with. What a girl wicked. Boy. You say a word, man. Big up yourself.
Man, I pass you a party to you, because I hope so them time, so I'm lucky, you know?
Yes, man. Respect for that, you know. I look forward to see the eye. It a go nice,
man.
Man.
Pleasure for me, the eye, to come here to listen from me, a little youth, I listen to the program, and I
See
listen
it
to
there.
the radio, you know, so
See it
you
there.
know you go.
See it there. Manners and blessings, man. Seeing
Everything
forward,
I'm
man. Seeing blessings, man. Cool. Boy, you see when man get born, all him a think about the sex, you know, and the size of the man thing, you know, and if the woman do anything freaky. When most man get born, them focus on the sex, and them want know if that instrument they bigger than for them one. Them want know what kind of style the man put the woman in. Them want know if she enjoy it and all them something there, and them want know if she do anything freaky to him. And that all have to do with him preoccupied about his masculinity. You understand? And it's a mistake they make this up. Men, listen to Mass Raga. If you get born, do not want to know the details. 9 times out of 10, you can't manage it. You may think you need for knowing, you know. But whatever you react to, just react to the bun and done. Right? If you want to vex, you vex. If you want to war, you war. Don't ask the woman for the details. Women can handle the details of the sort out better than men. When I say woman cool with it, you know. But just I said them can deal with it better than men. Men, most of you may feel you don't want to get the details. But you don't. Don't ask. Right? When woman get born, the first thing the woman want to know, she want to know them look a sex thing that, you know, the first thing the woman want to know is how much the man care about the woman. That is a big deal for her. She want to know if the man love the woman, if him care about her, how much time him spend with her. She want to know if him do anything qualitatively rich and significant. Did he take her to dinner? Did he buy her nice things and whatever? Did, you know, for woman, if woman have a man and the man born her, what go born her more is if that man carry her go up on one cliff and the two of them sit down and cuddle and watch the sunset. That go born her more than when him push him sitting in her. Because if you go carry her up there, you go up on cliff, go sit down with her, with sunset and a cuddle and thing. Me done with you. Yeah, wicked, me done with you. Me can't believe. And make you go carry that girl go somewhere where she consider special between me, you and her. If you have one little tree in one park, where a phone a little tree that won't always go, and you go burn your woman with some girl or some other woman or whatever, and she vex because you burn her asleep with the girl. You know what go burn her more? Make you find out say you go carry her go a phone tree, with a special tree and whatever. You're just dead. You understand? Make you find out say you go bring her on the bed where the two are on sleep in her. And for she, what go piss her off, you know? It go piss her off if you carry her go hotel, you know. But you see, the hotel is a different thing than if I go carry her go on the bed where the two are on sleep, you know. And then it's not about the sex, you know. Me can't believe you bring her in your pan with bed. Then when she sit down on the sofa too, now she eat out of any of the plate, them things are a big deal for woman, you know. All right? Let me see if the woman them agree. Ladies, if you don't agree with the things them when me answer right now, post it and say, yes, Raga, you're right. Or I say, no, Raga, you're wrong. I said, that's true. Yes, said that if that said that's true. So that's true. You're wrong. See it there? Yeah, me nah say them woman not concerned about the sex, you know. Them want to know, yeah. Because woman want to know rather than the details, and the woman want to know like how many times you not have sex, how long you not do it and thing. You understand? Because that suggests it's an ongoing thing or whatever. You understand? And then a big thing for woman now is what does she have? What is it about she that attracted you? Where she, the woman, may not have. Big deal for woman, you know? You know, woman want to know, what about her? Tell me more I know about her. What she have what me not have? What me did I give you what you not get? What she I give you what me never did I give you? And what? Big deal for woman. But man, when I worry about penis size, when I worry about if the woman give the man headers, and all them look at something there and whatever and thing. Anyway, that was just a little class from Mass Raga and thing, and particularly for the men them, you know? See the lady them I say, yes, yeah. Nah, man, you for born with respect, man. Yeah. You live a yard with a woman and thing and somebody, don't bring her go your yard. Never you do that. Never you do that. Okay? No. We know another free commercial something there, you know. All right? Nix Chemical. Please, me not want me that door there, yeah? Me not want me them door there on my show, right? Nothing personal, right? So me no want nobody come over here and advertise. Them something them mash up show. So Nick, no ads. I'm really serious about that. Me no want no. It's a huge pet peeve for me. Do not run no ads in my life. Make it chat run. Because once you open that door there, problem. Everybody come and thing and it's just this big advertising thing and it can't take away from the show. And you'd love for just do it for one person, but it never work for one person. Once you do it and thing, everybody coming in cleaning business, them this, that, them restaurant and thing and whatever, and all them look at something there, you know? All right? So no disrespect or anything. I just saw it there. All right. Ellie, big up yourself, you know, while going over there in London. You know, so I go fly over there. Ellie, you know, so I should have really, you know, Ellie, you know, it's a couple several times I go London quietly and I make you know. And you look there, you like my sister from Foundation, you know, Ellie. But several times I there London amongst Janet Benbow and Shabba them and Gay and them, you know, Red Ras and thing, you know. But quiet thing, you know, we just go check them and we just juggle and eat food and go restaurant and beat some juice and we just keep back and thing, you know. But yeah, my sister, my shouldn't dead there and I make you know, you and Craigton always there up Birmingham and thing, but. And when I go there, I call Craigton. Say, Craigton, me in a place, you know, quietly. I said, Craigton, yeah, we ask about where they don't say with Janet them. I say, yeah, man. But Ellie, next time I drop over them, I'm going to make you know. All right? Big up yourself, man. All right? Yeah, man, I need for me to look a son, man, because from the general. How old him is now? Him about two now. All right? He might go like 2 years old now and all them something there. Big up yourself, man. All right, here we go. I want to big up everybody who are watch right here so now and you relax and your bathroom clean. I'm kind of random like that. But big up everybody if you know say your bathroom clean. If you're white and a brown streak not dep on it and thing, your bathroom well scoured down and clean. Big up yourself. If not look a mucky not there right down which part the water for go down in your bathroom. Now look a careless here and all them. Look at something, look a Jonjo and all them thing. They big up yourself for that and whatever. Alright. Big up all of the clean bathroom people them right here so now and things. See? Big up all of the woman them who still do that Jamaican something them on a beard and wash on the underwear and hang it up in the bathroom and then in the end of the week and wash it over again. Big up on yourself and then thing there, all right? Large up on yourself. Big up all clean bathroom people them and thing. Big up all of the people them who there and know so when you not flush on the toilet on a toothbrush and expose, you get the microscopic particles for your toothbrush and then you go and brush your teeth with it because you know about that something there. Big up all of the people them who circumspect about them hygiene and all them thing they don't it. Big up all of the people who want to judge on the in your bathroom outside, down at the bottom, not in at the top, but down at the bottom. Now look a black judge on in at the little creases and corners them down there. Big up on yourself because I want to say clean down. Large up. All right. Let's go. Hear me now. I tell you, you see, any of me could I just do this every day and make money from it. I mean, I figure whatever if I pay my bills. Would I do this every day? Because I love it free green. Yeah, I mean, say laugh, learn, and grow, man. I love it free green, man. I love to make people laugh, and I love to laugh myself, too. And think, greetings, hello.
Hello? Hello?
Yeah, don't make the show come back in on the phone, yeah?
Okay.
Yeah, what go on?
Yeah. Me write a little, me just work with a little boy, say.
Mm.
You know, Nasi. Anything he eat, raga. He put it in on the floor under the bed. He used to go job this college. Him not beard none at all. Ah, me I get a little boy for beard. He don't want beard. So one
What you mean you used to work with him?
him father, man. So
Oh,
he
him
do
father,
used to look
okay.
after. He used to look after him.
Yeah.
His father used to work with him.
Yeah.
But him used to take care of. Man, I couldn't get it by beard, brushing teeth, I do nothing.
Mm-hmm.
I just start to write and poem one morning. He say, Paul, hygiene say to tell your morning. Rag and soap say they will do them work if you're not if you not a broke short. Rag and soap in the place, motor musty, Colgate, affy. Me, rag and soap, toothbrush and paste attack, say, hygiene are the best in any contest. All here comes water. Take a good bath in a towel for dry body part, towel ready. Feeling fresh roll on, put arm in a pause. Smelling so good, like it should. Add the proper hygiene and the towel clean. I remember when we start to sing it on the morning time.
Yeah.
We just go in the bathroom, go bed.
Yeah, you just get him for beard and thing and whatever.
Yeah.
Wow. Is you write a poem there?
Yeah, I'm the right poem, me write songs, me write. I'm here 57, you know.
And you're 57 and you write them poem there?
Yeah, me write. I hope a nice poem me write.
Wow, you're so talented. Yeah. What time you know
get-
you have any like look a love one or so or look a saucy one? You have any look a saucy one?
Not really.
Not really, okay.
Me write this one says, I just wonder where one in our society.
Mm-hmm.
When black man murder them own black picnic.
Mm-hmm.
We know Marcus Garvey fight for black to reach one top.
Mm-hmm.
But nowadays history, I boil down to gravy when black man are killed on spot, right up there when you reach one top. You covetous mind, get behind. I come with a dedicated mind, you covetous mind.
Mm-hmm.
Our history tricky. With them and nobody's fitness, them art. Feed them put them from when and them mother people and a friend. This is black mind of our fellow men. Some of the parents and suck the sour grade and set the pretty them chip on edge.
Mm-hmm.
You covetous mind, get behind our education time. That was written and produced by Arlene Lawrence.
Arlene Lawrence, man. Big up yourself, man, all right? And thank you for them too, you know. I love your enthusiasm when you perform them, you know. We hear the inflections in your voice and the emotion.
Me get silver award from JCDC.
No, you didn't. Lie, I tell you. Did?
Yeah, me get 2 silver awards for direct poems.
Okay, very good. Bless up yourself and thanks for sharing them here. Where you call? Where you connecting from?
I'm connected from Mandeville.
From where?
Mandeville.
Mandeville. All right. Big up yourself.
Housing scheme.
Which housing scheme?
Greenvale.
Greenvale. I heard about Greenvale and thing. But big up yourself and thanks for just coming in and sharing that with us tonight. Here?
Thank you, Raga.
You're most welcome.
I've been listening to you for years.
Oh.
When you're there on radio.
All right. Blessings,
you know,
yeah.
me like the drum roll and the tambourine.
Sure. All right. Big up yourself, here.
More love.
Yeah, man. All right, blessing.
Peace out.
Very nice, man. You hear the talent there and thing, you know. Big up mama right there, so, you know, from Greenville or Greendale over there in Mandeville and thing, and perform. I look a poem, them and all, them look at something, then anything goes on the street. You never know what's going to happen and thing like that. And as she do that, I just want to remind you, you know, we are going to come with a thing where we're going to have like a folk song competition where we're going to write a folk song, perform it, video it, and send it to me, and we're going to play it on the show, right? And we're going to go on what? And we're going to go on 5 subs within 15 minutes. So Craigton subscribe, Annihilator subscribe also. So we have 2 new subscribers. Apparently, if we get 5 subs in the next 15 minutes, TikTok just have all these little incentivized things. So you know what? If anybody wants to subscribe. At least 3 more people subscribe. Okay. I want to see what this 5 sub thing. But I said Craigton and Annihilator subscribe. But if anybody, you know, good see if we get 3 more subscribers and thing. But anyway, so we're going to have this competition where it's a folk song competition. You're going to write your own folk song and you're going to perform it and you're going to make a video with it with your phone. And technical talk is 9:16 aspect ratio. That just means you're going to hold the phone that way and not the side way, okay? That's all it means. All right? And you're going to make your video and perform your song. And we're going to mark it for creativity. We're going to mark it for your performance. We're going to mark it for humor. We're going to mark it for, you know, whatever this and that. And the winner, we want like a top 10. We're going to get a top 10 out of it. Big up to Tammy Collection, who just subscribe and thing. We want at least 2 more for see what go on with this thing and with TikTok 5, okay? So we want 2 more subscribers. But anyway, and then the winner, I go and give the winner $1,000. $1,000 US, all right? Not like a bossified boy do and tell people, come up here and tell people so them I win this and that and then give them the Jamaican money. It going to be $1,000 US and thing and whatever, but I go and tell you more about it. So start think about on a folk song on I go write it and practice it and rehearse it and get your little costume for it and make a video for it and we'll see where this can go. It has the potential to be entertaining and it has to have a folk thing about it. It must have a Jamaican character about it, right? Folk. Now remember, what we call folk is not Sunday school song or dancehall song or whatever. That's nice. We would do those at another time. But remember, folk is Carme Akigo a Lindsay Market. You can't sing back them there, you know. You can't sing back them there, but you can write lyrics to the rhythm from them song there, right? Wanna put some wanna give me some this long time girl me never see you. All right, yes, that's a folk song. Hilangole ride oh, Hilangole ride oh, Hilangole. Yeah, that's a folk song. Let me see if somebody wanna write some more folk song. Let me see. Give me some more folk song. Let me see if you wanna write. Let me see if you know a folk song. Sammy plant pizza can don't gully. Yeah, but you can do a song to that rhythm deck. That's really popular. Yeah, no, that is folk song. It is folk song. Yeah. Good on Emmanuel Road, Gallam Boy, Figo Brook Rockstone. That's a folk song. That is a folk song. Dagwara Matches the folk song. This long time girl me never see you. Come at me on here. Yeah, them there folk song. Yeah. Yeah, somebody put Sammy Plant Pizza Can. Some most I will sing it, but it's what the first person say. It's peas and corn. Fan me soldier man, fan me folk song that. All right, yeah. Yeah, wanna get the sense, right? So Elena and her mama go a grung. Yeah. Ellie come out of the Ellie go right down in the crate for that one day, you know. Yeah, where we say Aki go a Lindsay Market. Broke them one by one, gal and boy. Broke them two, boy, two. Me do want no coffee tea mango time. Me no want that tea mango time. Yeah. Kero nice, it may be mango time. And then dan 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 mango time. Okay. All right then. So yeah. Yeah, we are good. The top 10, we're going to play them in on the show, and we are going to have Uno judge them. All right? I'm going to tell you where the show name. I need to register the name first. Can't put it out there. Because the dirty, wicked, stay bad people, them will run, go register it, and then want, you know, because, you have some people sit down and just want to broke your foot, you know, and want you work, and then them just come benefit from the whole work and thing. I'm telling you from now, yes, when I do that, I say, all of you who screenshot my thing, and I put it about the thing, I make money, and so I not pressure some of you. Even though I say a few want to keep on and go hard, and I go too hard, and I just use my content alone and I put on the site. My content alone. You don't have a POV it or stitch it. And whatever. I see the people who POV it and stitch it. Nothing wrong. That's a regular thing in them. But if you just use my content every day, so and just a full up, and I live off of my thing and whatever. Bad one that you know, Trev. Chichibodo, some of them all, some of ball. Chichibodo, some of them all, some of ball. Some of them all, some of ball. Some of them all, some of ball. Big one that, you know, Trev, you know, yeah, them look at something they saw. When I go start out on the thing, when I go write on look at lyrics to the song them, you can't use the same folk rhythm them, or you come up with the one, but it must just sound folk. And then we're going to get the top 10, and I'm going to send me the video them, tell them the one to send them, and we're going to play them here, and we're going to make the people them judge and thing, and we're going to determine a winner, and the winner going to get $1,000 right out of my pocket. Me go into that $1,000 to the winner. All right. See, Deo, they are line time me want go home. Yeah, folk song that. Come, Mr. Tallyman, tally me banana. They are line time me want go home. Brown girl in the ring, cha la 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 la. There's a brown girl in the ring, cha la la la. By the way, peeny pan you and them something there. Like a folk song them too, you know. Yeah. Okay. John Davis, don't tell me when for coming a mix up. You can't leave if you want to leave. John Davis. If me attack and you not get where you want to leave, don't give me no this. John said, bless up. All right, my general. John never know. Ring a Rosie and them look at something there. All right, cool. All right, Christmas a come, me want me llama, and them look at something there. Yeah. Them their folk thing, you know, just nice it up and thing, you know, and whatever, and use creativity, you know, do no look at thing and whatever, and make it nice and entertaining, and them look at something there, and deep up in our culture, talk to your mother, your grandmother, your father, and whatever, and thing and so, and make your one different from everybody else one, you understand, and make your video. You know, rehearse your thing and put on your costume and rehearse your video and send it in and make your thing turn up and thing. You never know. And boss you make it turn a big star because when I promote my thing, no normal, right? And I can promote your thing and whatever. Next thing you know, I make you have to record it and shoot it out and all these things. Anything can go down, you know. Remember, the possibilities are endless. Okay, in the meantime, if you watch the show right now, you know, follow me. Shiny Eye Girl is a trouble to a man. It's a folk song that, even though, you know, some of the singer them, you know, put it in a reggae and thing, and people think I just reggae song. A folk song. Shiny Eye Girl is a folk song. All right, if you're over here, you follow me right, and if you're over here, you now follow me right now. See the 77,943. Everybody who are watch right at, hold on me. Yo, my general, may I do a show up on TikTok here?
Okay, bro, I'm just making you know say your brethren and film brethren fall out, you know.
Nah, man, then a big something of that, man. The big dirty war go on, man. Me dep on it all day. Sweet me. But me I will reason about that, man. All right.
Yeah, man, cool.
Yeah, man. No, because the war, hey, Elon draw some card pan him there, you know.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, and then him come back now and, you know, and be something sweet, me. But anyway, me I will reason about that here.
Yeah, man, cool.
All right, proper. Yeah, big war between Elon Musk and Donald Trump and nothing that. Greetings.
You know, long one John life here that history.
Rings.
One night, you know, we usually have this youth live with a John Toad, you know.
Yeah.
You know, say, my friend,
Yeah.
she usually do all the cool. You know, fry and so. You know, say after me.
Oh, fry up like a sprat and thing. Okay, all right, yeah.
No, man, loaded fries, hot dog. And
fries, yeah, okay.
And
yeah.
sandwich. So I buy loaded fries for him. I buy sandwich for myself and loaded fries. So you know, say mayonnaise and everything, the pan and cheese. Yeah, will nyam full up our belly. You know, say one day now, the night now when my daddy and eat and done. The boys and boy will love video everything. So you know, say my belly start work for me. When my belly start work for me now, we say, oh God, I want this now. Can't go use the boy bathroom, you know. And you know when woman got man yard, I start out.
Yeah.
You know, say I pick a fight with him in the night. So I pick a fight in the night and I say, oh, if him touch me now, this so I loaded it a let go, you know. So I want to say the whole night, you know. We say, it a bite me, it a bite me, it a bite me, it a bite me. Me say for the whole time, if he shift on the bed, me know. You know, say when me look and me see the sky get blue, say thank you Jesus, you can come me out for like a load. You know, say me touch the boy and me tell him, say me ready, say I say so quick. Some say yes, me I'm not talking with you. You don't know, say it was a bike and me have to go drive on the bike go home. See when I go on the bike, Raga, me say I have to tense every muscle in my body, you know.
Yeah.
This year, one of the time in Drap, like in one patrol, you know, me say, I hear douche, you say, Raga? Oh God, me tell you, say, me look up belly. You ever want to use the bathroom yet and cold set to wash you? Me say, for the whole night, me just a trim, but we could have did, you know, Raga?
So, hold on, you know. So, you and the boy are parent thing, and you juggle and whatever, and obviously doing the thing already, but that day, you know, you go eat the loaded fried with the cheese and all them something there, whatever, yeah. And because Dudu a come down upon you, you not tell him say Dudu a come down upon you. You just pick a fight.
In video everything.
In video everything. And you don't want him go video you don't.
Me say, oh God.
So when you lay down in bed, you just tighten up your bottom and a hole in the doodle. So why you never want to go do why you never just go use the bathroom? Cause what, you and him did just start talk?
Yeah, you don't know for whether that call no young love.
No, me know them something there, you know. Woman no want do the run man too early or poop run man too early. And I can't tell you, say me, I don't like an early pooper. Right? Woman not for poop too early around me. I can't manage it. Don't poop. Do not be an early pooper. Don't poop too early around me. I can't manage it. But me know, sir, when you touch about that something there and thing, I want to have a look at generalship. When we are driving, I open the car door, them and all them, something for let out to no poop and thing. And I always work with it because I know what is happening. You're allowing the poop to escape and thing like that. So, but you are said the dude will come down, you're not going to use no toilet for going to make him go smell up and thing and then sort out of a run out. Worse if
him. Something like that already, you know.
No, hold on a man say I say every shake him shake and every move him move playing in bed and whatever. It's like you have a hole in the doodle, don't. And then as soon as morning come, you say you need for go and him and carry up on the bike and every bump you bump is like the doodle for go. So you did that pop up yourself on the bike?
Not even that could have gone.
So hold on, you only in this doodle so much that not even poop did that come out?
Brother, if I go to let it go, I go to dance with all the bike on myself.
No, me know that state there, you know, because everybody know that state there, you know. No, and this is a serious matter, you know, because let us face it and confront it right now. There is this type of, you know, you have some poop. You can't recognize it from your body, you know. You have some poop, you can't let them out, you know, because anyway you let them out, then call and friend with them, and them poop the way all those kind of like go squeeze out a little, you know, little fluid pan you around there and thing, and let all a little water do the out pan you and thing. So you have some kind of poop, you have to hold in them poop there. You have poop where you can't let go, you know, when you want to do the, but you have some other poop, them nuff. And prims up, them poop there when they come out, them I bring the whole ginger, the poop gingeration and with them. You can't let out them poop there. So I know where you did that go through. That must have been very rough and stressful for you. You don't even want to tell him anything.
You see when me reach a me yard, Raga?
Yeah.
It was a tenement yard. I don't even pull my front door. I just walk around at the people inside part. You see when I go in my bathroom?
Yeah.
Raga, me don't even have to say,
Just release.
Everything just fly, go east.
No.
I just go be at the same time, Raga.
No, well, you say, me rather you do that, you know, because let me tell you something as man. Some man never think, but a lot of men, we can't manage it all if a woman give you a back as you know, and go let her a little small poop on you know. A lot of men can't manage that, you know. You understand? So you could go gangster it out you know, and when you did it, I'll bust all back and I send back your wine pan him and thing. I look a poop go creep out pan him in the back as that
You see where me
murder she wrote. Eh?
You see where me run from?
Yeah.
Raga, me did meet one big man one time and I'm gone yard, you know.
Yeah.
I mean, I tell him, say, true, gluttonous and greedy, me name up food, you know. And the man, me remember when gone, you know, from the record, though. I mean, I tell him, say, I'm going in the bathroom, go use it. I mean, I tell him, so when I look, no water and the death of flushing. I see two back up on the counter, I think they are flushing water. Raga, you don't know, say, the man drinking water means flush it out, and it still not go down.
And it still not go down, though.
Then the embarrassment there.
No, but if I drink it, it means that the water go come out like you throw it out a buckle. That not flush toilet.
Raga, me I tell you, say, I could go through that again.
Yo, me have a friend, you know, and him build one big house over Portmore. And him having money, him having dirty money and thing, and him bring a woman over there, you know. But she short. I want them look a petite woman, short and thing. He love them woman them. You know, we're man and thing. So me just tell her. So we always say, see dog, man, he love a lift up woman them, you know, cause you know, short, slim woman, you can lift them up and walk when you start out, you walk up and down with them and all them. So it's a running joke with him, say him love the little petite woman. So you know, say him bring one little petite one over in house one time or whatever. Him call me back and I make her know this, you know. And she go use the toilet. Cause it did come down upon her. And you know over Portmore, them always have little water issues over there, whatever, and thing, cause you know, little plumbing thing or whatever. But so the toilet never flush. So him did up in her living room part. She now come out of the bathroom and go to the left and go down and cause she must know say bucket of water down. But when she would have left and gone down there, him left the living room and come down and just go in the bathroom and look for her. When him go in the bathroom, she never pull down the toilet seat and him go see what she left in the bathroom. And him wheel and come back right out and go back in the living room. She come up with a bucket and then go flush the toilet with the bucket of water, a white bucket there where she have and thing. But him go see what in the toilet. And I saw now him call me and I say, you know, say, I know what in there and whatever just bug me out and thing when I can't talk to her again. So I say, what you mean you can't talk to her? It was a three-way call. We had a bridge on the phone too. So I said, what you mean you have to stop talk to her? And him I say, you know, see what she look a bit. And I say, yeah. He said, suppose you ever see the big black something come out of the little girl. I said, dog, no one that woman afraid for do something. I said, that mash up your head. No, him I said, no, man, something about that not right. Him said, it not go with her. Listen to me, no, man. My God.
Could have go through that, man, Raga.
But tell me something. What the earliest you ever poop around a man where you do it?
Why, Raga? I don't know. Tell myself, say, I eat no cheese and nothing.
No, well, on a man, when you and a man attack, what the earliest you think, say you feel, and in general, on average, you feel comfortable for poop around a man?
So my time, I always work with them first, you know. So when them get comfortable and start
Yeah,
far,
yeah.
but just get comfortable back to. But
Okay.
yeah, some of them will go and like say, you know, for do it.
You know, for do it.
Your own thing
Right.
that for them.
But in general, just a rough estimate, but you say, like, you know, woman meet a man and she end up there with
Listen, you said me meet some, and my sister, some of them respectable.
Yeah.
Would have to live with them.
Yeah,
It
but I
depends
say
on how
in
long
general, what on average, what you think would be the earliest where you that's a boy, yeah, you know, around them time there. Eh?
Eh?
Yeah, you get distracted. All right, then you have to do something. All right, no worry yourself. All right, big up yourself here.
All right, Raga.
Yeah, man, cool. I don't know. We have discussed this before, and no. But it's a natural come say anytime it come. But ladies, let me tell you something, man. Let me tell you a secret what enough man have. It's sweet, you know, when we're there, we don't know, you know. And we don't know for a long time, and we never want to see you no poop yet, you know. Because somehow no good pan or something there, you know. It's sweet when we never hear no poop yet, you know. But when I sleep, and when I sleep, when I have no control over the poop, you know, particularly when I proper hot girl and a dainty like why, you know. And children have no control over the poop when they lay down there asleep and all the poop just fly out and thing and nothing. Hey, it's when that happens, say, yes, man, you're rich, yo. Watch out, no? Watch out. Don't it smell to you or whatever and thing like that. Yeah, man. That can sweet one act like on a dainty and a thing, turn up them head and thing. And no man have to smell on a poop or ear on a poop and all them something. I want to not sleep. God just let it out and make we hear. And when I let it out, I say, yes, man, you're normal. You can't hold down that one day you sleep and thing and when I hide on a poop and all them thing and thing. You know, somebody say shame. My God. Okay, let's go. All right. See that person here come me. I just flick up on one of them, you know, because ratted that person name.
Raga?
Yeah, Wagwan.
Yeah, hear me?
Yeah, man, I hear you good. Talk to me.
Raga, I can get this a drama, ya banger, and everything in one.
Senna.
So you know, say, when me a picnic, my mother take two picnic from town, carry come a country, come raise. So when me go up big now, me got town go stay with them. One of them used to have one bar, so me used to work in a bar. So this guy didn't look me. Me never did pay him no mind, so me not got get one soldier boy and got Spanish town, married and everything. That the marriage never work out, so me go back at town. And the same two girl them now when my mother raised. So you know, so me go back and talk to the man where did I look me from before. So you know, say one of the sister them got two sister them, you know. One of them used to chat say the man no want me and the man have a woman. Then time them you know. Cause the woman used to come park up right at the bar and we did always did a drink and go out with itself. Then time they cut me and I see a blood when the man and the woman.
Well,
You
but this
know
is
no
not the
say.
man, this is the man who did that look you and you never did want him.
Yeah, this same man me go back to.
No, but when you say so, even when you go back to know and you and him a juggle now and thing, him did still there with that woman there. Him have him wife.
Yes.
And you say anytime
He never have his wife. He did just have a woman.
yeah,
They
or him
never
woman.
married.
So you say anytime you see him and him woman and thing, you never feel right about that because you
No,
did
no
catch
feel
feelings
right.
for him and thing. Okay, all right,
Yes.
go on talk. Go on talk.
So you know, say the sister now, I chat and I say, you know, sister, the man no want her. And the time them used to go the man yard go sleep and have to wake up early morning to go back out of the house.
So when she says,
Then
sister,
time
the
they
man no
used,
want you, the whole time you and the man are
yeah,
sort out them time, and them no know, though.
them know. And
Oh,
I chat me, say the man no want me.
oh, okay.
And carry me name to my sister them. Oh, the man no want me, the man. And say the man no give woman money and be things. You know, hear the Joseph part of the story.
Yeah,
Sit down good. Raga, you know, saying last year. No, me no come a foreign. So when me come a foreign, me and the man attack. So me not married and get through my papers and everything. Go down 2023. So when me go down 2023 now, me and the man attack and sitting, but it's like me no know. Me and the girl attack her when me go to Jamaica, me and her up and down. You see sister we did a chat and say man no want me.
Yeah.
So you know say the man tell me say me and him a got AC hotel. Me never did know what AC hotel means. So me no tell the girl say the man tell me that I me fi pay 16,000 and him pay how much in. But me and him fi split the bill. Wait now. Me say and the day when he want me and him go to the hotel in Raga, and that day they have my husband when they have foreign birthday, me say he can't work. It not go happen. So last year now, his man mother dead. Call me and tell me say mother dead. And he ask me for money. But before his mother dead, my sister called me one night and say, you don't know who and the man there. Now the same girl?
Which same girl?
No, girl, one girl there when my mother raised it, one who did a chat me say.
The one we chat the
The
whole
man no
time, she
want
and the
me.
man there. But how long she and him there?
Even when me go to Jamaica, then they, and me no know.
So when you go Jamaica in 2023, them did there from them time there?
Yes, and me no know. And me I tell the girl where the man I say about the hotel and then the girl a laugh. The girl a laugh off of me. And wait now, me not carry on her body spray for the girl for sweet up for the man.
So,
And me no know
hold
what
on,
go
but
on.
hold on. So him and I did there after you did come a foreign?
Yeah.
What if him and I did there from them time there when him did a jump up in a your
No,
belly?
them never did the funny time when me did the Jamaica. When me come a foreign, they end up there.
I end up there and thing. So when after she tell you
And
that, no,
then,
what happened after that? No.
no, my sister called me and tell me.
Yeah.
So, me no ask the man say I lie, nothing no go so. Mother got dead now, he call me and ask me for money. So me say, alright, me go send you $300. Me end up send me end up the morning wake up, go send me call my niece some money for put in a me account at Jamaica. And me send the girl sister $50 because the girl
No, you
sister
don't
did
have
I
to
get
explain
married.
them, D. Just get to the mix-up. Don't tell a story, Tell the mix-up. Yeah,
Yes.
yeah.
So when me go send out the money now, me take the receipt and send the man. The man got half for 3 Raga. Go collect the money. When he go there, then tell him see a wrong number and a fee me money coming. I say, call me back and say, me must go check, me must call some place over here fee release the money. Me say, alright, me go call over here. So, me send one different receipt go give him again, Raga. One different number go give him again. So, it end up reaching like a town now, Raga. We go collect the money now, line one whole day, because guess what now? If we go to the parlor, we go pay the pockets and want the money for make up for the madam. Raga, no money no did them, no send the man no money.
So well, you keep her give him the receipt then for make him just go there, go for collect money.
Yeah, because they take me feed yet, so me I take him feed yet too.
Why? A lot of Jamaicans do not do that, you know. A lot of Jamaicans do not do that. When people are move expound and thing, you send them Ghana, Western Union for give them this and that and nothing no go so and thing like that there. Yeah. But just to be clear, so that was the when you said the juicy part, that I juicy part I mix up, right? Yeah, okay. This so when they never get in course and thing and whatever because you vex.
Get figure the parlor no time. You might run up and down.
So but it might
the money did it.
But it might get buried though, you know, funeral happen.
That was him problem. I don't know. Me block him.
You block him and thing and whatever. And how you vex because him go there with the other girl where they always a style you.
Yeah, but me I said then him could have said something. Even the girl could have said something too.
Well, me I tell you, say Jamaicans them bad pan under me know something there, you know. You understand? Right under you know things are going on and you don't even know. We need to have under me nose mix up then one week, you know, because enough of that going on and thing like that. So from them time that you block him and not chat to him after that, no?
Chat to him, Raga. Him say anytime. He say, yeah, anytime you come to Jamaica, make a man deal with you.
Okay.
Whatever.
Yeah, so just make sure. Yeah, make sure same no know that and thing or whatever. Well, bless up yourself for that one day here, and you don't know, stay safe and everything, though. All right.
Yeah, man, Raga, big up yourself.
Got some man blessings, cool. All right, here we go. Juggle with. Where I go on here, sir. Oh, people want to call I wanna give them mix up. Some I wanna understand it, so wanna just in on the element and thing. Yeah, I give you a look story. But some I wanna give mix up on a show. Wanna go in all these kind of things where you don't need for tell with that, right? So if you get a mix up about something happening, I say, boy, let me give you just two hypothetical, right? Say you say, Raga, you know somebody did I talk to this girl and whatever, man, and I was one pastor daughter, you know, and the pastor watch it daughter and whatever, you know, but you don't know something you want to look move and fight, you know. So you know so them want to look back gate and things, so one day me a screech around there, you know, but them have one big dog, you know, Raga. Them have one big dog around there, but you know, so what I do now, you know what I do, Raga? Me just bring some meat, you know, well seasoned up and cook when I buy at a restaurant and me just chew it, give the dog, you know, whatever. And when the dog I eat, you know, I saw me screeching there, you know, me screeching and me see my prayer, you know, me just go around and whatever, you know. And she did, you know, she couldn't come through, so she'd have to press up the juice upon the grill. And me the outside of the grill, you know, and she press it up in her rug and me I tell her something just wind up in her eat for the grill, you know. And they mean they are prayer, me what? I mix up that. That I mix up. That's what you tell mix up. If you tell the same story now, you see what I just make up? Teach me a teacher now. You see what I just make up? If you tell the same story, but you again one bag of details and whatever now. So if you say, boy, Raga, you know, say, this girl I me didn't know and thing and whatever, you know, pastor daughter, you know, me and her, they go primary school together, you know, she did major in her. What she did major in her again? She did major in her, that's something about me never did want major that because my mother tell me something enough for did major it and one time me and my father did that talk, but what would that major in and thing. So anyway, like me I tell her something like her and thing, you know, and you know, so she have this red blouse, so she always, and she look good in the red blouse, you know, me I tell you, you know. Because I tell my friends, say, you know, the red blouse are nice, no? Yeah, man, the red blouse nice and thing and whatever, and you know, you don't know anything, but me want to sort her out, you know, Raga, and me I tell you, say, them have one look back gate, you know. And the back gate never did it all the while, yeah? And this man name, but the man name again, I think the man the name, oh God, what the man name again? I think I Mr. Hendricks him the name. And Mr. Hendricks did build the back gate and thing, but Mr. Hendricks got church with them, you know. And they, you know, them know one another with Mr. Hendricks and thing and whatever. Mr. Hendricks, all the day when Mr. Hendricks did that build the back gate, them did have to tie up the dog because them never want the dog for do nothing to Mr. Hendricks and thing. But the string with them did that tie up a dog with, that string they them never have nothing, so them did have to put the dog next door. And anyway, the back gate. So you know, some plan for go through the back gate, you know, but you know say you have one road will go around to the back gate. I may have to go upon that road if you go on the back gate and thing and but I walk on the road all the while though, you know. So I know nothing if I walk on the road and things. So when I walk go on the road, if I go on the back gate and thing and whatever, and then but this is my hygiene them. Me see my hygiene them over them they on the veranda upon the yard where they beside the road for go round to the back gate. And just like that, you are say one bag. By the way, that was it. I mean, know what I do. So that was entertaining. Me, I tell you what you're not for do. So right now, regardless of the people ever laugh because them get it, right? So I mean, that is what you're not supposed to do when you tell Mixup. Both the term feed is like extraneous information. It's just not necessary to the Mixup. So someone are not in tune to that. When you come out and get comfortable, I want to tell you this long-winded story with all this information that is irrelevant to the Mixup. You see, when Pandy Rock I tell the Mixup, which Mixup you see shot since we're there? The Pandy Rock Mixup. The Pandy Rock say, Raga, you know, so I left St. Mary, you know, and I go down to St. Thomas, go check one man, you know, right? I'm a take bus, go down there and bring me look back for stay the weekend, Raga. So I'm reach down there, you know, and things have a living room, and things a small little living room, and then you have the sofa right at the window, you know, and you have at the window we open out. The window open out, Raga and thing. So you know, so I go over the Raga, I sit down in the sofa and thing, and same time here, boom, 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 on the door. And I say, I want that. And the man get up and go over to the door. And when him go over to the door, Raga, the door drop, boom. And thing, and whenever somebody say, what is that thing? And Raga, you know, so one big neck, big back girl just come in. And Raga, me a bad girl, you know, I can't defend myself, you know. So you see, when she come over, Raga, I think, by the time if I defend myself, the girl lift me up, you know, but by the time if I defend, I through the window, my God. Not by the time she lift me up and thing, outside pan the rock, me end up in a Raga, pan the only rock where the back of the place out there, me end up in a Raga. Remember, you know, she don't give you information we set you up a long time. She make you know so the window open out, you know. Right? Relevant information. So you see, she said the woman lift her up. And before she could have defended herself outside, the connection make. We know say I throw the woman through her through the window. We get it. She not waste no time and tell we about this and that. Pandy Rock say, yo, I when me out the Pandy Rock, you know, and me I tell you say, me I figure out like, yo, me back I hurt me and what, I the man that me see a punchline. The door get licked down, punchline. The woman lift her up, punchline. Before she could have defended herself, she end out outside Pandy Rock, punchline. When she did the Pandy Rock and I figure out where I go on and that the man that I come through the window, you know, punchline. Rock, I just start take it through and go there, go down, you know, and one little, you see the little weekend bag, the bag when me bring for the, me not see that the bag there again, punchline. And when me I go down and think I want man, me see I'm beg him, I fear, you know, for go back. I saw no for tell Mixup. I saw no for tell Mixup. All right? Yeah, someone will not give you too much information we don't need, man. All right? Hello?
Hello?
Yeah.
Raga, wagwan.
You know some man there where I say?
You know, say me there. Let me give you something quick.
Yeah.
You know, say one time. Me come so boom.
Yeah.
Our family give me some money, you see me?
Yeah.
But the money there some Chris money.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, so I come from boom and get the money now. See when me get the money. You know, say the money for $50.
The money are what?
So me come $50.
What, US?
No, which US? Jamaican.
Yeah.
Yeah, so me come from boom and get the money now and link one girl and say, yo, mama, you know some more from front.
Mm-hmm.
mama tell me say she want 2,000. So me come so boom now and go link her. When me link her right now on dark horse. So me come so boom now. I say, mama, hold that 2 grand. Then time they are the $50 them, you know, for them Chris. So me wrap them up and give mama and say, mama, hold this. And she hold them. Right. So she comes to mama take your money now. Kaki get thief now, you see it, Raga?
Keep it clean here. Don't use any graphic thing. Yeah, go ahead.
I mean the Magnum.
Yeah.
Yeah. So me come so boom now I pull the Magnum and come so mama go on the floor. And me come so rah, 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 rah.
Yeah.
Raga,
Yeah.
I want to say in the morning. The woman see me and come so boom and walk past me. But me don't know, you know. I $50 when she get in her car, she thinks when she go in her light at $2,000 she a go see. When she look at $50 in the morning, this woman pass me like truck and bus per road. Me I say, but Kuya no.
No, but tell me something now. How is it that you were successful for make she mistake $50 for $2,000?
All right, so I go on now. Guess what?
Mm.
When we come to Boom and Link it, I now want dark house. The place dark.
Okay.
Yeah, but guess what, me now? The $50 them did sharp. So, you know, once you feel it, you know, remember say, they not all in a brand new $50 them, you know. So, me come to Boom and wrap up the $50 them now and come to Boom and shoot it in a mama hand. Mama say, like mama take a deep breath and say, thank you, God, 2 grand for this back again.
Okay.
All
right.
When me give mama, me say mama walk past me next morning. Me have to tell mama, say, mama, I know that me give you know, look like you lost the money, you know. I know that me give you, mama. Yeah.
So I remember make you laugh, don't?
Yeah. Enough that. Enough that.
Well on. I saw you did laugh too.
Yeah, man. The laugh, man. Let me tell what I'm a cousin.
Yeah.
Yeah, I say, yo. But you know what? Me full jar $300.
All right. Now say a word, man. So
Yeah,
you succeeded in giving a woman.
No, Shalom.
Yeah, but you give her you give her $250 and trick her said $100 is $2,000.
Yes.
All right.
And that skin I go.
Yeah. All right. Now say a word. Big up yourself, yeah.
All right.
Yeah, man. Cool. Hello.
What is the topic?
Now, if you have a mix-up, it's to get a mix-up, you know?
Oh, okay, I don't have any.
You don't have any.
Nah.
So you send a request to tell me say you don't have no mix-up?
Yeah.
Why would you do that? Eh? Why you make me bring you in for you tell me say you don't have a mix-up? She gone. That don't make sense. You know, why you gonna send a once you hear somebody say, what the topic tonight? And they don't have anything. Anytime when you hear somebody say, so what the topic tonight? They don't have nothing. Right? And you hear me talk the whole time and say, yo, keep your thing balanced up now, man. It's a show we are on, man. So if you don't have nothing, whatever. Yeah, good night.
Good night, Raga. Hey, what are we Ivan to cover internet? You subscribe already, Raga?
Ivan?
Go subscribe to Ivan OF page.
And me I talk to?
You me and talk to more, you go subscribe so you can see what going over there. You know what I mix up?
Well, me I run me show and you call me for go tell me for go. Yo, someone for go, man. I want my tone, man.
Where you want me to tell you, Reggae? Me not need to tell you.
Well, you call me for ask me when me want you for tell me. You waste my time, be.
So what am I tell you, say?
Yo,
Man
bye,
can't
bye,
eat
bye,
enough.
bye, 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 bye,
Bye,
bye,
Reggae.
bye. Usa, calm down, calm down, calm down. Why some people just boring, you know, man, me I tell you, you know, man. Some man for go, man. You don't get it twisted, you know, me have a little temper and I've been at work on it. Me I work on it for just chill, you know. You can call and what me for tell you, what you want me for tell you. So what you call for? No call, man. If you don't have nothing for send up on a call, and no call, me not tell. Me I run a show, you call, I tell me if I go to our next show. You idiot? What you waste my time for? And then when me I ask you, say like that, then my can say, you go say, what you want me for set you and whatever this and eh? I'm for bill, man. Sure. John. Yeah, people, you know. Greetings.
Yeah, Raga. Me have a mix up with you.
One pop, rinse.
Me say, one time when I live at same area, you know, this boy like half me and my friend, you know.
Mm-hmm.
Boy body tan, boy body turn up, you know.
Mm-hmm.
So, he might give me friend money and I give me money, like it two at the same time.
Him like
Me
the
and my friend
two,
young.
him like the two at the same time?
Yes.
What?
So, me and my friend young and wild now, you know, so we are going to pull up at the boy yard.
Yeah.
So, we got the boy yard.
Yeah.
Boy was nice and look good, you know.
Mm.
That is scheme the boy live to, you know.
Yeah.
When we gonna go up on the veranda, the boy sit down and talk to him. But the boy want to leave it to the bedroom.
Mm-hmm.
So my friend want to go search the boy fridge, and name out the boy things them.
Go search him fridge? She want go search him fridge?
Mm-hmm. So me realize that the boy kind of bar my friend from go in. So me distract the boy and my friend slide in. I see my friend come out and signal me. So me slide in the fridge, go in the kitchen, Raga. Me swear it was a rat attack. I didn't know if it's rat shit, me see from the day me born. Me say,
Hold on. What the rat do to the in of the fridge or outside of the fridge?
in the kitchen, every eat the boy put on the plate, boy now like a month in a wash plate, me no know who a give him food. Cause you can't prepare food in that the kitchen there. Mr. Rat shit for days, Raga. Mr. Raga. Me no chat back to the boy every time me and my friend see my road the bus out a laugh. So Raga is a rat attack.
Rat attack, so I never give him the name. You know which name him forget though. You know call him Ratty.
The boy is supposed to name.
What him name?
Rat attack.
Rat attack.
So I didn't know if it's rat shit, Mr. Franny day, me
for the day you're born, you never say so much what do in a one place.
Raga.
I'm bright enough I bring woman go in yard, don't it?
That's why the boy now we going at the half leading at the kitchen kind of in the steer.
Oh, okay.
And the boy look good in the Raga road, you know.
Yeah.
Boy body turn up, you know.
Yeah. No man, some of them people used to look good and clean, man. You know, one go in the yard, man. You know, you see some sitting where, you know, sick your stomach, you see me?
For real.
Yeah. And Ratty never did a move right that night there either, you know. No, so
man, Raga look like a monster boy no wash plate and sit Raga enough his ratchet friend and my life from my barn.
You see it, and look good at road and have so much rat doo-doo and yard. All crosses. Anyway,
it was a rat attack.
Big up yourself here, boo-boo.
No see a word, Raga.
It got some man seeing, boom. You see that? You see how those good as just come in and run and mix up. Yeah. Yeah, that's how the thing for go, man. When you say now you mix up them, man. See him? See him where?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Raga.
What's up?
Me have a little one for you, you know.
Yes, and
Yeah, me don't know if it's so spicy, but you know. You don't know, so one time my father and my mother planned to go on a wedding. That
yeah.
my father friend
Eh,
wedding.
eh,
So them time they will live a country, you know.
mhm,
So him tell my mother say, in order for she go, him have some food to sell, some yam.
mhm,
So she say, all right. So him dig the yam, and the people them come and them pick up the yam and give me money.
mhm,
So in the period of time, it look like him see a little woman where him want a feature.
mhm.
So it look like him tell her the same thing too. Yeah. So when him get the money for the yam now, him care go get the woman. And don't give my mother, tell my mother say, him no get no pay for the yam. You understand what me I say?
No, hold
Yeah.
on, hold on, hold on. Him did I go to the wedding, right?
Him supposed to go to the wedding.
Yeah, and then
So him go sell the food to give my mother the money for she look after herself.
okay, good.
So during the period of time now, he must meet this woman.
Mm-hmm.
And now he must switch for my mother now. So him
Okay.
take the yam money now and go get the woman.
Yeah.
So him tell my mother now say the people then still went for the yam. So
Right.
she can't go to the wedding.
Right.
So that's our cousin, him have one cousin now and the cousin wife dead.
Mm-hmm.
So me and him go down and they set up the night.
Mm-hmm.
So the night then now he must plan to go check the woman. Cause already give the woman the money.
Yeah.
You know, no say me and him dead there and him take time go around me and make him move. So when you go make him move and come back, I don't know all of that, you know. Long after that, me go hear what go on.
Right.
He go make him move and go on the woman yard. He go see one man come out of the house. When you see the man come back out of the house, now you look like he hide and he come back out.
Mm-hmm.
So when you come back out of the dead yard now, it's set up now. He said to me, say, I'm ready. That time I'm about after 2, 3 in the morning.
Yeah.
Me and him and some people walk and we go up. That
Yeah.
time he might dead in the heart, you know, but he not say nothing, you know.
He not say nothing because him feel away, you know, because they should take him your money and then, you know, and then I juggle with the next man and make yeah.
Yeah. So you know say when we reach up and we're going to the house, we have to pass through film room and go in our room.
Yeah.
In no time, short space of time, I hear one sound, I hear my mother cry out and say, like she does say, fine wine, come here. And I run, go back into the room. And she said, pass one cup with some water, give me. And when I pass a cup of water and go back in the room, I see her with him in her hand. The man thief 200, I put the water in my mouth, him go swallow. And that was it. The man get instant heart attack.
Your father dead?
My father dead, Raga.
What?
Take the money and go give the woman and go around go get start out and go see one man and come out of the house and get heart attack.
And get
yes.
You know, say me almost touch the sound effect where me always make, but me have to lift up back my hand.
Yeah. That's what I say. Me don't know mix up power, but
nah man, no, it's a good mix up, man. In a weird way, it's a good mix up. It mash him up, you know.
Yeah.
And what happened for people don't know, stress-induced heart attack, you know. Right? So if the conditions are there, so your arteries them clog up and all them something, the stress can induce the heart attack where your blood now flow right for go up to your brain and your heart and all and sitting there and whatever.
Yeah.
And the stress take him, you know, when he see the man come out of the room and thing, you know, he mash up him head, you know.
Then Raga, he never look nowhere, and just abnormal and everything, you know. But you see the minute you lay down,
yeah,
the heart just give.
Jesus and peace. Just because she take the yam money and then go dash out give one different man and thing. And look how him did well prime up for go on to go put one panara and thing and just see man come out and thing and whatever and go no say him did for give your mother the money for go wedding and never give her. And in a fame mind him go so boom and go give her the yam money and line up his heart out and thing. And then for go see a next man and thing. Yes, boy, may I tell you, you know, and then the general just go drop down dead, yo. So what are
you see how much him a drink up before him go on there now. I drink up out of the dead yard, you know, before him go on there. Say, well charged, you know, Raga.
Well, that is a mistake enough Jamaican and man them make to them feet. So if them charge up and things sometimes that a cause more problem than solution and thing and them
The man dead.
John, no. Then, well, then I own to find out after.
You see the night when I go on there and go see where him see and come back out?
Yeah.
Him tell him cousin. So him
Oh.
cousin talk after. So that's how we know.
And I saw you put 2 and 2 together when you see him come back now and all them something there and whatever.
Yeah.
So you know what. John know. That's why I tell him, man, you know, no can't stress out over front, you know. And no found a man who thinks so know the game better than woman. Listen to Mass Raga. Right? Yeah. You have some woman out there, them so innocent and naive to the streets and think them not know it like that, so you can go so boom circle around them. But when you come down to it, men, listen to me, when you come down to it, you can't you can't lead a woman when it come to that game there. Woman never gonna lead you all the while because we think men in general on a spontaneous and always assume say on in charge and in control and whatever. Women are different. Women are more psychological. Women assess your personality. Women study your patterns. Women, you know, notice if you deviate from the pattern where you are do. When women are do for them thing, they make sure do things within a pattern that will disarm you from pick up wagwan. That's why enough time woman a meet a man, and she and her friend go out and meet the man. That's why when woman a meet a man, during her work time, when you accustomed to her not being there, you understand woman psychological with them something there. When it come to that game, the woman them better than uno man, them better than we. Don't try lead them. Women are so good at burning that they themselves routinely convince themselves when them are born, say what them doing is not burning.
And you know what, Raga? Little most my mother drop out, you know, because when she hear the circumstances walk us him for dead, she take it to heart, you know, because she never know my father's them type of man. And nobody never, like we and so, never know my father's them type of person then.
John.
So it shock her up wicked.
Oh, so him did sneaking. Him did sneaking with him thing.
Yeah.
John, no. Yo, well, rest in peace, Pops and thing, you know. You try down over front where you never get, but I saw it go, you know. Sure. One of them thing there. Bless up yourself, here.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Yeah. All I man them out there listen to Mass Raga, man. If you book up on a thing like that and whatever, we ain't stress over it for. And whatever, you need for stress over it, man. You line up something and thing, and when you turn on, it's a man that come out to you, know, blaze it up. You just say, John, you one time I did at college, you know, and I go up and I look a sneaky movie, you know, and I have a look a window when I go through with that particular woman, and when I go through the window, when I'm a general that I see her, I come out, he never did I come out, he might go up to a window, to when he see me. I'm not calling name, I'm married, I have kids now, whatever, and it's a long time. And when he see me, he say, Kingsley, what you doing here? And I say, the same thing where you are doing, I go. And he say, you know, he's a African American. Well, originally Haitian, but African American. So he say, damn, she rolling like that? So I say, yeah, the woman she name. So he say, I never know whatever this and that and thing and whatever. Hey. So he say, what we are going to do? I'm saying, yeah, we're going on, man. No big deal, man. Let's flip for it. Whatever. And he say, you got to tell her. I said, don't tell her nothing. You don't need to tell her anything. I said, I could just flip for it, man. I'm back out a quarter, man. I'm flip the thing and him, the heads and tails, and him win. I'm saying, hungry your business. I'm saying, shell it, you know. Go on good, man, and whatever. So I'm saying, you're not feeling no way. I said, no, I'm not feeling no way. I'm feeling the way for a fear body, a fear front. And things you feel like she share this and whatever. Well, at the time, you know, him and female woman, you know, Samantha, me, that my woman, and Ushka, him know my girlfriend, me know a female girlfriend, and the two with the window with the two. This is in college. This is a long time, what, 20 odd years ago. So the two, so me I say, big man, me and you go, we buck up and a move and whatever. So you know, things say she knows say you there with Samantha, me there with Anushka. And I saw him start, you know, I teach him, and I said, but then she don't know what she do. You understand? So we have both, you know, she juggle me and I juggle you. They know that she do. I know nothing. You don't need to tell her nothing. As far as I'm concerned, I never see you and you never see me. I mean, I want to ever talk to you about this again. And him say, all right, boom. Yeah. You know, no, stress out over front and I give a killer. I tell some man, yeah, I have some man, you know, them are born, you know. Them are born, you know. And them have a Bunnawoman. And I stress out over the Bunnawoman. When I eat that. And you eat that. When you can't Bunnawoman and I stress out over Bunnawoman. Anyway. Nikki said maybe they sort out good. Yes, but we're Raga always a teacher, no. We're Raga always a teacher, no. Make correct and tell you. You see the thing where you enjoy the most and the thing that you need the most. Listen to me. The thing that you enjoy the most and the thing that you need the most. You must be able to say no to it. Discipline yourself to be able to say no to anything where you need. Anything where you enjoy the most. You must be able to say no to it, and you must be able to be careful when somebody is bringing that to you. Because predators and wicked people, they are very good at assessing people's weakness. And when they know what your weakness is, that is their entrance to control you if you don't have the discipline to say no to it. And women have more control over that than men. As me tell on a long time, years and years ago when me did young, I was so confused when a woman explained to me the wickedest sort out she ever get and get so emotional about it, the weird the man just own her and take over her head and all these things and whatever. And she explained how she and the man just connect and how the man good and how she go in a detail. We listen to her almost an hour, she tell me, and at the end she said, never again. And at that time, I was confused. She just described the most incredible experience, pleasurable experience she ever had. But at the end, said she not going back there again. And I was like, why wouldn't you go back to where you had the most fun? And she said, no, I can't manage that. Because I go mad. That is discipline. If you know you can't manage something, leave it alone. Because if that person knows that you can't manage it, they will own you. They will play you. They will have you doing things where you swear say you never do. They will have you doing things where you sit down, after you don't do it, you say, I can't. I saw you hear Jamaican people, I must obey me, or I must whatever. No, I weak to the thing. Not a obey. Right? The thing you love the most and the thing you enjoy the most, the thing you need the most and the thing you enjoy the most, must be able to say no to it. And you must be careful when anybody I bring it come give you. If you are when you're dead for hungry and you're starved, be careful of who give you food. At that time you must still tell somebody no. And that's why I tell you, woman bad upon them something here. Right? Woman may take a little longer to make up their mind and sure about something. But that is why when a woman, after she do look ups and down, and she reach a point where she said, "Me done." That man who is the good looking man, who for start out they turn up, he could have come back with all of the money in the world. She done, she not going back there. And I saw some man can't even accept it when woman just reach a point, me done. And I saw yeah, some man on a chat about, so what you eat me now or this and woman said, no, me not eat you. No, me appreciate what you do for me. No, me appreciate the good times and whatever this and that. No, me appreciate the good sex that we used to have. But we're done. We're done. No turning back. Right? Yeah, man. You have to discipline on yourself that way, the man. You see all when you see if you meet somebody, you find out so you just have an immediate attraction to that person. That is a person you need to be careful of how you juggle around that person there. You understand? You can't go on like a little Gladys and all them something there. You have some woman, you know, we see a man, you know, or like a guy, you know, and him good looking and cute and them are dead over him, you know. And all I tell her friend them, see my man there, and think about my husband that, you know, whatever. And them don't even meet the man yet, you know. And them are dead over the man, you know. And them come every day and them are tell them friend, yeah, me see him today, him there work, him there work and whatever, this and that. And you see all the man, they come over and go say hi, it's like hi. Him would have never know say she are dead over him. Because that is our weakness. She have that control. You know how much time woman all their own man and wet and want the man and thing, but have that discipline. Not yet. No, we're not cross this yet. Me not feel it yet and thing or whatever. You know, I like him and thing or whatever. Woman have that control there. Right? So I have to learn from woman with them something there. Yeah. Remember, I got tell you know, to a man them out there, you know, you need to get 3 women who know the road code, at least 3 female friends who know the road code, who you not look front from them, and them no want nothing from you. And at them woman there, you have to ask the question, them humble yourself and ask them things we not understand. What go on with woman in that position, yeah? When so and so, I walk on, I make woman teach, you know. Yeah, that me do. Me have some female friend. Me nah draw for them and them nah draw for me and whatever. And when me go, me always I say, yo, you know, so me nah look a position here. So when woman I really go on and whatever, and then me say, I saw one man tan man, let me tell you what she up to. And I saw you learn the something of them. Yeah. You understand? All right. Watch it right. Yeah, man, you have to humble yourself and know say a woman are the expert this, so, right? You as a man, you can't know woman like woman, right? And that is why women very often like to have a man friend who them can talk to. It's just that somehow wanna give them too much problem. As soon as you and them cool and whatever, and she just want a friend where she can bunk something off and wanna pressure them for front and all them little thing there and whatever. Women understand that something there, you know. Talk to a man for learn about man. But we know, we full of will say we not talk to woman for learn about woman. I bet some of them figure talk to. You know, so she said this and that and whatever, boom, bang, bang, bing, bing, bing. Up to yesterday, a little man come to me and he must say, yo, you know, so the girl a clown me out. And I say, what really go on? Because she said, we plan for come over and whatever and thing like that and whatever. And then she go around the thing right and know, she say, she put it off till the next time. So I say, what wrong with that? So I say, did she do that to you before? No. So you and her do so before? Yeah. Uno they write out? No, we just I get in, like really I get in. Simple thing. I say big man. For them something a woman different, you know. When woman beginning of the type of thing, woman prepare, you know. The here have to do. This have to happen. sometimes them all have some biology thing where I go on with them and thing. Them not gonna tell you everything if you and I are different, whatever, but I go just say, no, me can't bother come that time there, Right? Me say sometimes the woman them all a set certain things, Sometimes them all a legal certain manner, whatever, and the man a go deb out that time. Them not do nothing with them, but them not want you come in that position there, but them not tell you. So I say sometimes when you're in them position there, you have to follow a woman cue. If you are not done good already, but you tell us upon that day when if you come, no, nobody come that day. There is something there. You don't even need to know what it is. Just follow her lead. She'll protect you. But she can't make you know the 100. But don't assume she'll play you. Or you can assume she'll play you and all them things that you don't say you're not do 4 times already. You put your ego before. Balance your thing, man. Right? Greetings.
Hello?
Hello?
Hey, Raga.
Wagwan.
It's been a while.
Yeah. The St. Thomas?
Yeah?
All right. Yeah, man, where you say?
Yeah. May I have a little history, but I'm not going to tell you exactly what it is right now. But me I try to tell you, say, me I go through hell.
Hold on. What you just say?
May I have a little history?
Ooh.
Not personal, like sexually or nothing like that.
Oh, okay.
Not like that. But like interviewing and talking to and so.
Oh,
We
okay,
have
cool.
history.
Cool. No, man, me get nervy no
No,
when
not like that. Not like that. Jesus Christ.
No, man, me get nervous for a while, cause you don't know, you see. Yeah. So
Just like knowing and talking to on the internet and
yeah,
so.
all right.
We have with history.
All right then, boo. Good. So talk to me, I know, yeah.
So, from them time till now,
Yeah.
Jano is I don't know what.
What you mean?
Maybe them ugly and me, I don't know what go
No,
on.
talk to me. What happened to you?
When I go through hell,
What kind
I don't advise nobody for help nobody from Jamaica.
Yeah, this thing I come up and think to help them for come up down.
Not for come up like even if them there and have papers to get married to them and so.
Yeah.
No, I mean, I advise nobody to get committed to nobody like that.
Yeah, man, just pointedly. I tell you how I reach you.
All right, so I meet somebody in 2021.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
And I like the person.
Mm-hmm.
Nice youth and so.
Mm-hmm.
But like getting into him and stuff like that, I realize him have a baby mother at Jamaica.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, and I get to realize I love him baby mother and I have no intention like to leave him baby mother. But my thing is, right?
Mm-hmm.
Due to all my rating when I meet him,
mm-hmm.
You see if him didn't tell me the truth.
Yeah.
And say, bro, so now baby and I know say and blah blah blah. Come on and talk to stuff, come on know TikTok work, you know what I say?
Yeah.
Would I help him as a bridging? You know what I say?
You sure you that still help him? You sure you that still help him? Okay, all right.
But the fact say he manipulate me, right?
Mm-hmm.
He manipulate me and get me feelings in a certain way.
Mm-hmm.
I go above and beyond to do things what I want to do. If I know say I just help him for certain reason. You get me I try to say, Raga?
Yeah.
Say me have my own man now and me help my man. Me go above and beyond, right?
Mm-hmm.
But say me know say I'm a brethren me help. Me just I go help my brethren get certain things
Yeah.
and don't do certain things. You understand?
Yeah.
But him say he can manipulate me,
Mm-hmm. Forget you to be invested in him emotionally. Yeah.
Recap and see if you can understand me.
No man, we understand my answer, man. Yeah.
Yes, you sure?
Yeah, man, because him want certain assistance from you, but for him approach is to act like him genuine and thing and carry upon that level, you know, where you go genuinely fall for him and, you know, and a feature him that way there.
He can get more out of me.
He can get more, okay, yeah.
But him not realize the more he could have get out of me was in papers.
Okay. Oh.
Nothing more important than the papers. It no matter how much money you get out of me, it no matter how much things I do for you, the most important thing for you to get was your papers.
Right.
When I focus on that.
Yeah.
Like Raga, I have story for days. If I start now, I don't know if I stop.
Well, tell me
like,
one. Tell me one. Just tell me one thing where I'm going with where you say this is just.
I don't know if I start from the beginning, the middle, the center middle.
No, because because from what I hear from you right now, enough something did it. But yeah, right. So just tell me. But just tell me.
Marriage and divorce.
Yeah, all right. Just tell me one something where him do where you just say, yo, that too was one of the things that was a deal breaker. One of them.
Him baby mother was going through a thing with him family them in Jamaica. But him baby mother is not really a cup of tea when nobody want to drink. It's like if you want to drink it, you just have to drink poison. You understand?
All right.
Yeah. So him baby mother, they live in I don't know Jamaica run still, but it's like family thing. But them never really get along with them mother. But him say him baby mother to leave out of the place and him need to get a place and stuff. And me as a good woman now, I say, no man, me have to help him. Cause you know me have to pick me them. I think about the kids them, you know, cause I talk about the kids them. And me have kids, so me I say, yo bro, that heartbroken to me. You understand? So him say get a place and get a little 2-bedroom and so if me can help him and so, right? I said, no problem, because your kids them, I can't make your kids them not have nowhere to stay and stuff like that, right? All right. Raga. I'm give this youth so much money.
So you get the 2-bedroom and thing and boy,
And a 2-bedroom, Raga.
What?
Raga. You want a man? You get one land.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
I purchase one land. So him say him need some money for pay down on the land. So I take out $10,000.
US.
Yeah. I'm give it to him.
Yeah.
Him say I buy the land and him have a little extra money for put on top of that.
That a land of Jamaica.
Yeah.
At this time did I go put the 2-bedroom house?
One 2-bedroom, him say.
Yeah.
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 So I give me $10,000 plus whole more money put on top of that.
Yeah.
One time I'm in the room now, I'm looking at the drawer when I'm drunk and frost. I'm pull out the jar, I'm looking at the jar and the receipt them and stuff. I'm look for one little sketch. I'm say I want 10 Lucky door. No, lucky door. I talk right now, please. I want 10-bedroom house. 1 2-bedroom did they on the land and the boy lick them around with one bulldozer for build 1 10-bedroom house. For him baby mother.
Yeah, no.
Raga, me tell you, I have story for days. It not done yet, so you know, Raga. You say I have half an hour left. This can't even continue.
No, me have to take some other car.
Raga, I'm tired. I'm tired. I have to talk about it. I'm tired.
Yeah.
No,
yeah, but you know, in the interest of other people for calling and thing. But what I'm saying, what you just
make it bad for people where I try to get help, man, where I try to get help from Jamaica, from woman. Where we genuinely help them, it make it bad, brother.
But here's a question for you that can be helpful for us here, right? Because again, you obviously would benefit from talking about this in a certain context, but something like this now is useful for us to learn from it. So I'm going to ask you to be honest now. Given the nature of this man and how him stay, which clearly was just like manipulating you.
Alright,
And hold on. Hold on.
I want to tell you one thing. The nature of this man is a big entertainer Jamaica friend. And don't want to say the name.
All right, no. All right then. So what me I say is
big entertainer.
no,
And
well,
if I say
no,
the
no,
name, everybody are gonna know.
no. Well, I know that's this is going to the very point I was gonna ask you, and I want you to be honest. Given who him is and them something there, what is it that made you be attracted to him and stay with him?
All
And
right,
be honest. Just tell me two things about him that.
Him energy, like I feel like say me personally much with him energy. You see, when we're there together, we just I don't know what it is. It's just like we enjoy each other company, and it's like the same thing. We love music. So we always are listening to music, and we always talk about dancehall, and we always do certain things where match each other energy. Understand?
Okay, yes.
But
So.
not me in my brain, not because we have some connection. That doesn't mean him out there with me, him out there with somebody else at Jamaica. You understand?
Okay.
But Raga, put aside that and all of the money when me give him and everything pregnant with my daughter. I have 3 kids before me meet him. I'm pregnant with my daughter now, right? I didn't work one day. And my friend sent me one picture. Right? And build beer vibes with me, Raga. Him gone out of my house and still shit and beer vibes. Until one day my day I work. Remember I'm pregnant?
Hello?
You hear me?
Yeah, quick question. You pregnant for him?
I'm pregnant for him.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Yeah, so you make a quick point here, because you get cut off a couple of times. Just tell me that.
I work in my town. I'm here. Somebody send me one baby. I'm pregnant at work. Stress out. The boy take up him baby mother through the border. With him 2 pick them from Jamaica. My man him still married for getting papers. I'm stressed out, Raga. Cut me in a find out blood. When I have the baby, Raga, I don't know how the picnic come out with 5, with 10 finger and 10 toe.
All right, listen, a couple of things. No, hold on. All right, I'm bring some other people, but a couple of things. The first thing is, you already know what you need for know now already, You understand what I mean by that?
Hello?
Yeah, no, I said 2 things before I go and take some other caller. You already know all enough that you need to know to make whatever decision you need to make. Okay? No care how tough it is. You already know that. Okay?
Yeah.
You, in other words...
But I love him.
No, hold on. I'm getting to that. So you already know who this person is and if you want to still stay with him or if you want to leave. You already know. So I wouldn't advise you to agonize over it and stress out over it because you know...
That's not... no.
Hold on. No, hold on. Hold on. You already know enough that you... No, hold on, no, darling. Hold on. You already know enough that you need to know.
Right now.
Are you hearing me? I'm
hearing you now.
Yeah, I said
I was outside.
Yes, you already know enough that you need to know if, well, I saw him steer. This is the good out of it. This one I don't like. Me I go steer. Or me see where him there so now. Because that is proven in terms of the link there with the baby mother and whatever, this and that, I want to get out. You already know enough that you need to know to make a decision if you want to stay and juggle with it or leave. You already know that. All right?
That's my problem, Raga. I never learn.
No.
I keep going back because me keep on making my clitoris direct me in a wrong.
No, it's no. Hold on. There are people
because
here.
I like doing a Raga.
No.
I like doing a Raga. I tell you, no boy body no.
Boy body.
Fuck.
All right.
God kill me.
All right. Don't use the F word. But what me I say is,
use it.
all right.
Use no word at all.
No, you just use it. Hold on, you just use it. You said the boy bad your F. You don't even realize you use it. But listen to me. Listen to me. There are people gonna be in the chat who are gonna criticize you or whatever. When them when me talk, yeah, me know you're not listen to me, man. You're not listen to me, man. I said there gonna be people in the there people in the chat.
That's why I call you.
Yeah, there are people in the chat who are going to hear you say that and it's convenient for them and easy for them to just criticize you and whatever. We all have been in that position in some way, whether we did younger or whether we did have a weakness to that one person. Some people conveniently forget it. Some people suppress it. Some people, whatever. But we have all been in some sort of developmental stage where as a man, you was a little claffy and thing when you learned the game, or you was a yamed or whatever term them use and thing. Right. So you balance out your thing and whatever. And but you have enough. In other words, you know who you are dealing with already.
Can I say something?
No, hold on. I just want you to reiterate. You know fully who you are dealing with, what this person is about. So I just you for know if you are going to stay in it. You go Lego.
Not going to stay in it at this point. And at this point, I'm not going to tell you the full 100. You're not going to get half of the story.
I know. And we don't have time for that and thing, but I just say, you know who you are dealing with.
Mm-hmm.
You know, all right?
Yeah.
But hold on. Well, if you don't want to do it, you don't want to do it. Sing a song. You want to sing a song?
Yeah.
Sing a song.
What kind of song?
Any song you want. Sing, just sing a song. Sing a song or DJ. No, don't do it. You know I don't do it.
Why? You said don't do it.
All right, even if you want to sing a song or DJ a song. Any song you want to sing.
One song I'm ready for myself?
Yeah, just sing a song. Yeah, any
One
song.
song I'm ready for myself? And I don't feel with this, but I can't sing anything?
No, not just anything.
And something have to do with this. You have to talk, you know.
Yeah, sing. Yeah, something to do with this. Something to do with this.
Suppose me sleep with your best friend. They with your enemy. Have a youth for your uncle.
Listen me.
I am tired.
Okay, leave it right there. So don't say another word.
Have a good night, Raga.
Yes, man. Blessings, man. Yes. From what?